What a passa passa be? Passa passa careless father. Beer rum him a drink that a Popeye style be. Passa passa rum feed every day. Him the bar and drink more than a bottle. What a careless father. The girls them a use him for money. Now his daughter out there creating trouble and fighting over man. Hey, passa passa. What a careless father. Careless father. Passa passa. Daughter say hungry days, while them they not playing with their father. Careless father. The daughters have body shoes with men. Passa passa. When the home too empty, everybody feel the strain. Everyone in go unheard, every night repeat again. Now the whole place attack about the father and the game. The girls them a use him for money, now his daughter out there creating trouble and fighting over man. Hey, passa, passa, but a careless father.
No man.
It done. Then pick it back.
So sis,
Wow.
you are telling me say, are the only chips now what you eat?
And my mom that they left money with you.
If money when daddy left with you, I feel me. So wait, are 2 chips you buy and not even say left 1 for me?
It's my money. It is my change.
You're wicked, you know?
I'm wicked.
Me not eat nothing from money, they are sit down really comfortable and not even say kiss.
Oh, me feel know say you're hungry.
So, you know, hear me a complain this man, me say me go link daddy. And then me go to bar daddy out a bar, I drink beer liquor.
Oh. You should have told me if I buy flour 5 fritters.
And me know she daddy left money with you.
Where money there?
She $40 there.
Can I get $40? They sell $40 biscuit. All some money now is a juice.
Buy bag juice.
Go on.
Hi, auntie.
Baby, where your girl go? On a couple months, me not see how your girl tall. Ah, the shoes. Everything.
So auntie, I shall what you say?
No, she come greet me. I wanna do. Alright. What kind of bickering me come round the corner and I hear?
Auntie. Boy.
Auntie nothing.
Auntie, me your favorite niece. Come.
Me not no
Auntie.
favorite one.
You can't buy me something, you can't give me the clear water. Auntie, me need nothing from man, you know. She they are really comfortable and they are more chips.
And my
And not
is
even give me
fine.
none.
Daddy,
They are blood.
Left, so when my brother there?
Huh?
In the inside.
So, hold on. If you not see me so, which part thing would I do?
Work?
No, sir, look like you lose a couple screw. Go look back for.
So
Work! Where's auntie work? The only work that they have for walking, for go a bar and drink liquor and look big batty girls. So,
I like you tell. Before me leave, I go on the plane. Me talk to Papa, you know. And him promise me from him promise me from my parents' dead grave. Say I'm gonna cut their life out.
that come here so, and fly to this time and I so, whoosh.
Where your father?
Daddy, they are on bar. Daddy leave her from 6:30 this morning.
Auntie, me not to talk to you, no.
I'm not talk to you.
Me not to into you, know.
Because I'm at the shop and me see daddy down there with half a buckle. You go down there, down at the bar. It's if you go down there and see the buckle still have that, they really not drink it. But I know that bottle is finished. 9 o'clock now, right time I can go down there, go catch him.
9 o'clock and he gone through a flask already?
Uh-huh.
No, so me I forgot to talk to you.
So-
Because
Auntie, I have time for that, you know. You know, no money, you know, no money at time. Right now, where my dirt bunks in my belly right now.
oh God.
You're hungry.
Me never really walk like
Not
that.
even $500, auntie. Say I come look for your niece. And your brother to take care of $500, not even $100. Me not no money.
Oh, so it's alright for you not to have no money.
Me now work, auntie. Me still go to school.
Me just come back from foreign. Me have to work back up the money.
Say no can Irish Spring.
Hey,
I know.
That's up in the house.
you smell alright.
Nobody not talk to you.
You come out before you beg something for me, I beg
Me a beg something for you, me not get you.
You don't have to beg neither.
Are you
You
alone?
look good on a woman. Man will use you. And batter on when you not beg.
Talk to that one day.
You see me, I beg nobody? You see me with man?
Auntie in love beg.
And my father give me money, I'm use it buy something to
Yeah,
eat.
sure, if you get it,
Hey,
Hi,
I beg
no
daddy.
respect. Me there, you know. Me no want to hear the bickering. It no sound good out the street. Una sister. I saw some chips and I argue over.
But you not give me none, I'm there hungry for money. Me
Where
I work.
were you?
Look, for my clothes are dirty. I wash me, I wash
Where
you.
were you?
Where were you?
share with your
You don't get
sister,
up and
though.
do nothing than walk
So
up
much
and
walk up and look for your auntie?
No, me say if you share with her, nothing in her. You buy. Hey, you see, if me and your father did live so, as in bigger sister, he couldn't do that to me, you know. Make Popeye buy a bag of cheese chicks, a cheese chicks where we are grow up. Make him buy a bag of cheese chicks and don't leave none for me. Hey, made a drop some liquor in backside and twist off in ears. Cause my brother that. Me have to share with him have to share with me. I saw my mother and father grow away. When have to share, man, on a sister.
But auntie, me always share with them. No, no.
One time me not share with you, you want to make a big post out of it. It's
Yes, it's a crime.
time news and advertising.
Me can't go pan that.
Alright. Make the marker. Here, Moody.
Auntie?
Me want on a buy water on a have. On a share it. Always look pan it say on a dep on a desert island, yeah? And on have each other back.
But there's
At
a
the same womb when you come from when you a sister. When you have each other back. And from what me hear, your father gone back to him whatless ways. So I know enough to pull together. And then nobody else but each other. When people see you not fight a sister, you know, it's easy for them to come in and say, Moody, Tash said this about you.
No,
Tash,
sir, no,
Moody
sir.
said this about you. Don't on show a united front. Yeah?
Yes,
On our
auntie.
sister.
Shanti.
You see, when you buy something, me know when hungry, look at it sweet you. But just think of your sister.
Me know she hide and eat enough time and me no know.
Alright, so no do it again. Today is a new day. Here? I forgot tough. In the usual office.
Yes, you just
right
miss
down
my
there.
going go boss.
Alright,
You know,
so
get
the
done.
argument.
You can't tell me that. When you look about it, tell me no.
You know, get done.
Papai.
Sis!
Oh, you can see me.
Yes! Oh, wait. A dream. Yes, somebody pinch me.
So we are keep party and not invite me. Me will pinch you.
Oh, me-
I'm pinch you
No,
again.
no.
How you keep party and not invite me?
I wanna come back.
Me come back yesterday and say me I come check you. Papai, how you look me in the eye with the and tell me, so you not even smell the rum. Are you under this?
Me tell her, say, me not smell rum. How she that not smell rum? Tell me now, sis. Ya hear that? Tell me.
Me what?
Huh?
Me what?
Me say, ya hear that?
Who are the idiot, eh? You have your two daughters them at home, eh? And you, I barely 10 o'clock a morning and you go through so much rum already, Papai.
You're lucky you see two buckle empty and one going down. You see me and Ray, we're working together. Yes, when you drink it, you're under the spirit. Yeah, the spirit we work with.
Papai, when mother and father spirit gone, right? And me are the older one. No feel say you're a big man, me can't lick you, you know. You hire 2 daughters them at home, and dead for hungry, and you there, 2,000 a buckle, and you gone through how much? Nearly $10,000 drink?
No.
Where you feel you picked them since morning?
4,000. The shop here are 5,500 for that one.
Just,
This, yeah, 5,500. 11,000. 11,000 plus. Me not remember how much it is. I think it's 3 grand. 14, 11,000, 14,000.
So hold on, Papa. Not only that, me nah hear Mr. Juju other day say you can't bring rum and energy drink. Eh?
He said,
So you do it out in a public.
the man says special. Rum and boom. Me drinking turbo.
Yeah, idiot. Juju say special a rum and energy drink. A rum and energy drink that. And you're out of parade it make Juju see you. You want Juju come for you?
I know the drink says when me drink me can't live nothing.
Exactly.
It's not
Me don't know
okay.
how you get 2 beautiful girls. Eh? Cause you can't lift nothing. Popeye, me gonna take that and dash that way. You have 2 daughters at home. Sit down, you have 2 pick me at home. I dead for hungry and I fight for 3 chicks. And you there 11 tea drinks. Eh? All I beg me for money. Me put this here so. Me and your big sister now. Mommy and daddy not there no more. So me want to see you come through. Hold that. And that you want. You are real walk. Sober up and go feed your picnic them.
Are you wrath by that? Eh?
Oh, look out for your ass picnic them. You have your picnic them that fight for 3 chicks. Eh?
The man,
You're a shame.
a big girl them 18 and can go take bamboo and buy what they want. I have to work my butt.
What work you do?
I have to
Hey,
work slave.
tell me what work you do earn this.
Huh?
I mean, I talk hustle white people on the beach. What work you do get this? What work? Show me a pay slip.
Huh?
Show me, see ya? Show me a pay slip. Pay slip for rum.
Oh.
Easy. Pay slip for rum. Oh.
My big
This
money.
confiscate now. Big sister come back and no plane drop out of sky with me.
Sis, listen. Right? I am a man. Right?
2, yeah.
They are female. I tell the 18-year-old one, say, find a man so you can help the family. Help your sister. Instead of you sit on the yard and war your little sister. Find a man, get a man, quint it for the man, bring in the doors. That's all she have to do. Bring in the doors. Tell me something right. Right.
A pimp ya pimp out my niece.
What do you mean by pimp
A
out?
pimp ya pimp out my niece, Papa.
What do you mean by
She must go find man to mind you. And them crazy in the pan.
She are 18.
Let me tell you something.
What's wrong with that?
Mommy and daddy never picked me up for mine house. From me at 13, me go work in a bakery and bake bread and cocoa bread and feed the family. And feed you too. Send you go to school to take off the pressure for mommy and daddy cause daddy's sick. So me raise a jigaloo.
It's not a gigolo. It's just a beneficial part program, beneficial officially collecting instead of them wait. You think them a young girl and all no sense. Then skin out, give the young boy them and nothing back. They better they make use of them property where God give them. Collect for it instead of lay down for free.
You know, so why me not really shut you
Look, I know
to
this.
your junk?
You find a foreign man and you get a nice daughter, right? So about my daughter, they can go do the same thing. They can go find her.
Yes, me find my husband out of love. Me not sell myself. And put myself down and that you really want for your daughter then, Papa.
Look, I love Ray, right? I drink it every day. Because you see them rum here, are the best rum.
Okay.
Ray. We don't know what them put in it. Are the best of the best.
That's empty. That have little bit tonight. You turn today with your
No.
Let go of my hand.
Sis,
Leg off of me.
Me make you a promise. No take care of the youth them. No give them money now. No care what money go give them. Me, cool, baby.
Papa, you still hold on to my hand, you know.
Cool.
You still hold on to my hand.
Please, no.
And you know, so my head hot. And I'm a right hand. Right hand can grab the leg off of me.
Come on, please.
Go feed your picnic them.
Hey, my heart shatter now. Shabby, give me. Shabby. No, take cash. Can't go buy another buckle. Yeah, alright. Watch me and then girl, you see? I want to make my sister come take my money in the room. Alright. I got mashing up. Huh? Oh God.
Hey, darling, what's up? Oh, yeah, what's
What's that?
So you left from, you made to come look fine. But you left from one of the bars so early.
God. My sister. Come here, come read. Come teach me room.
What do you mean, sit your room?
Me a go home go discipline.
No, man, you can't go up here, man, baby. You're not giving no money, sir. No, what?
You can't get no money now.
What do you mean you can't give me no matter with the foolishness, man?
Relax.
I let me not like with them. Listen, when you're drunk, you still a wall and pan the wallet. Let go the wallet. Come on, shake for you. Come, baby. Come, I could do one that. Come. Let go the wallet. Come on.
Alright, no, listen.
Come on, no. Darling, my baby father, my soon to be baby father. Yes. We love you, you know.
Yeah. No, guess what?
Yes.
Guess what now?
What?
That wallet here. No fool. You have to both a
We know
quickie.
this quickie.
Yeah. A long time you have promise.
Hello, man, I know quickie, no. Quickie, I'm gonna tell you something. So every day, I'm at the couple bar, I'm at the wiggle, I'm at the dance for you. Alright, now you can say me pregnant. If you're not like on wallet, then I'm going up this to your wife. So let's hit, go, come on. What I'm to you? Listen, as a matter of fact, I want $120,000 for that shit the belly.
Oh,
120 to throw away the belly.
how you pregnant? You come to the bar, me never yet. See the
Listen, the wine and the dying and everything. Can you know what I'm saying? Long, my mother tells me, say, long as you hook up a man, so you're pregnant. See that? Me breathe again. Poor baby that. Come on, 240, 240.
Baby gone.
No, breathe that, no, too much baby that. Come on. 240, you're too pretty, me having on my belly for you, because you just hug me again. Come on, man.
From me know you hear the breed. Stop touching. From me know you hear the breed. Because you got big. You look like you're 6 months already.
I'm 6 months, 20. Come on. I'm money coming to you. I'm coming to be in a long chat with you. Oh, let me go by your wife here, you know. You're not gonna like it. Oh, come on. Come on, baby, come on.
That dead long time. I don't got a wife.
And then I go play y'all go movie, you know. What y'all gonna say? I'm ready and I have a wife, you know. And you have two unwanted child. So I'm go up here, I go sit down and pack up my things. And what are you gonna say?
Your whole lot unwanted. Am I picking a car unwanted?
Who's the whole unwanted? I look a body unwanted. You look straight tricks. And I'm gonna come to you, bro. Cause you come like you're in there for a long time. And the money me come bow. The money. Come on, let's go left by so early let's see me come here. You know, baby, let's see me go dress down for you.
You see with uno man, when you can get this yeah, a matter of fact, you call it cheese chick.
Cheese tricks.
When you can
No one. See, I don't know. You don't know how to soft like cheese tricks. Sponge.
That's
You look when the water, as you suck it up, it come out. Suck in, suck out, water sponge. Come on, baby, long, so chatting, can you know something? What's you? Baby, you know, say I'm a husband every day. Right? You know, say I'm going to marry. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to get 2 nice twins. Triplets, if that you want. And then I'm come both for the money.
Hello. Let me tell you something. You see, I stand today, I no longer a money machine. Right?
Baby, man, what's up with your money machine?
Don't be a baby.
Baby, listen, you're not a money machine, you're a bank. Come on, let's go to darling.
Well, the bank in a bankruptcy.
The bank in a bankruptcy?
Yeah.
Alright, 1 minute loan for your loan place. Come on, we can borrow it.
No. No
Come
bother with
on,
that.
man, baby, and stop
You
one,
see,
sir.
you see how much people NCB take a car from?
Well, NCB not take what is a car, yeah. Come on. Wait! Wait! You're not done. I'm money come back come serve out and a thief. I'll stick your pants up with your money, sir. When the other say the bubble and the upper. You need a ball out thief? Come on, man, I got the money that will come bounce.
Pinky, don't check me later.
I'm not taking it for now, I'm call. When me say the one pound dine up, you never say, baby, come back later. Come on, I need to go back to the bed. Because I'm your hug me at me breathe, so come on.
You could never so serious.
I am serious? I'm dead serious. Yeah? You say anytime when me will come and pay money, I don't want your later, not later. I know I'm compare it. Come on, I know the money in the start. I want to the money.
Alright. Our money, there's a money.
Where the world, yeah.
Our money make them here girl up. Use this by soap.
I will get $300. You think some of that $200 girl? I'm on the outside on brighty. Sir, must have a come for $120,000. $80 and put me. Where get $200? You think I unwanted child them here? So come the man and stop brother blood pressure. You know what? I go to wallet. Give me the card. What do you feel like?
Alright.
What do you feel like running come for free?
Alright, here do. Me left 10,000 with shopping.
I don't want shopping money. 10,000 don't cover 120. Sir, stop stress me out. Come on, I am come and say, raise my high blood pressure.
Come here, give me a hug.
No, because if I give you a hug, this is another baby. So come on.
Come here.
You don't want to give me triple the money.
How much you want? 120?
120, and if you hug me at 240 that, so think twice, where me can have a mistake.
Follow me, bunks. Follow me now. Bunks. How low can you go? Go low.
When the money drop down, then we go pick it up. Drop it. We shall see. Come on, let's one for the money.
You don't want no money. Me tell you, come now, follow the rhythm.
Hello. Let me tell you, can I come like say, me they chat too much now. Just some days I come with somebody, they chat to that and I beg you for your money. I'm tell you something. And I ask me, I tell you, drop the money. What you feel like? If you already said daddy Shandy girl, any man me say I'm little pan so me have to get him. If I see I'm little pan so that means that the money have to show out. What you feel like? Broke man like a problem and I come like I get lots of problem this morning. Come on, sir. In your big belly. Come on, sir. What the man do? Know yourself. Okay, you must have me on the streets. Alright. I'm gonna make one of my dog them rough free up. Know yourself. I'm going to go link shopping.
Come back and I hear this, I don't want to take them. Girl.
Acha!
What you say?
See Santi come, I'm gonna see Angel.
That me want to know, she must say, Angel a treasure.
Me not run Angel, you know. Because you are bad influence.
Me ever get bad influence?
You are bad influence.
Me ever influence your
Me
bad?
know you.
Anyways, we not talk about that. What if
I'm
auntie
bad,
say?
me not say daddy.
Let me just talk to one if auntie say daddy.
What me I say?
Could you don't get any money to hold like money pan rum? People they are hungry.
You're not hungry.
Me hungry.
Some
People
of them
can't hold
I
belly.
can't hear the same arguments again. Hey? Me tell you, say, you for live like sister, cause una sister.
Auntie,
Me a Santi, I'm gonna get rum from daddy.
Hey, not even this speed.
Come. How you take that from him?
You made a drink no rum?
I know that.
What?
Me before me say it. You not drunk, not true? Right. While you not sober. How old you be?
18.
And how old you be?
17.
Right. Me not say nothing wrong with have a drink every now and then. And party and responsible, you know. Do me a beg you know. Not turn drunkard like on a pupa here. Me a beg you know.
But auntie, I wonder, how you take a run from him?
Hey, kind that junk as yours. Me go there. This are the third buckle, me baby. Him done, him finish, him ice off 2 buckle of rain, him nephew.
So daddy, their bar drink rum and we there want something to eat?
And could they in stop on this one?
So auntie, so we
No,
can't
sir.
sell it. Cause they are hungry and we offer some money, you know. Cause
Sell it
my
and look
friend
about
then come
something.
here for drink and something. We can't sell it and make money and buy something put in our house.
Let me tell you something. Me no want nothing doing no. Your father gone too far already. Me love him means my brother. But why? Me wonder if you can't help. We not just get to the future. So, you see with this car, Juju say where they said this is illegal, you know. To put this and this together, Juju say it illegal. So no one no do. I don't know where you reach the age, but you can't do nothing because you're not 18 yet.
But then I run a shop.
Mine, cause Juju say this together illegal.
So we can't sell it back, auntie.
Me now stop on the front when no little business, you know. 'Cause everything's tight right, you know.
Yeah.
So,
We have
you're
to hide
supposed
it
to be
from
coming home.
Yeah.
You're the bigger one. May I give this to you? You see, the market. You see if your father find it and drink it. May I go check if you make money, you know?
Yeah, we go.
Me no want no money off of it. I want a little business. But me I go check.
You just check if that daddy a drink it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you see if me know you find your way home though.
Listen now. I mean, no want no liar, right? No want no liar. Which one I don't know? Huh? Which one? I want to tell me which one?
Girl, you
Tell
can't
my
hear no-
sister. Send me over to a drink from. Which one now?
Me want know where you gonna do my niece.
Huh?
Me want know where you gonna do my niece them for telling me where my little brother there. Awa.
I buy the food, man. Don't worry.
How you come round without the food and me tell you say your daughter them they are hungry.
Me never left one of his staff. Never left one of his staff. Huh? Never left one of his staff. Huh? Never left one of his staff.
Yes! Where you shake it for where you have?
That takes him have now.
Me never left you no good no money.
Yes!
This morning.
Only this man. You see, sis?
Only this morning?
Yeah.
Tap and tell lie. Tap and pick up for that. How much time I have to have a tap and tell lie?
So,
Daddy not left nothing, yeah.
sis. Look,
Papa,
man,
hi.
I am a very responsible father, right?
Bullshit.
True word.
Bullshit.
And a true one.
Word. See? True word. I make sure them very healthy. Look at them.
How them maga so?
Huh?
How them maga so? Touch the devil little skin pan our body when me leave.
Listen, our pamaga, our mamaga, if none of them they put on weight, it would be jacket. Yeah? Any one of them they put on weight, they want to be a combat jacket. And any one of them they too short. Definitely a jacket.
You know, so me not deal with you too rough cause you're drunk.
Huh?
But let me tell you something.
A drunk man don't know their yard. A drunk man sleep on road and dog lick them from their mouth.
And no one, Daddy, how much do you have that suit? Have on that suit there? When last your beard? When last that the beard?
I don't know.
Let me ask you a question.
Me could go ask the bathroom when last the shower, the rag and soap and
Let me
water.
ask you a question. How would I pay water bill?
Daddy, you know.
I use one buckle of
Daddy, at you want to come in one boss, you know? You not pay no water bill. And a thief in current you have to. So that find tell lie. You know, nothing for say you're stuck. Stop light.
Papa, me disappointed, you know.
How?
How you think mommy and daddy would have feel?
Eh?
If mommy and daddy was still walking this earth, how you think they would have feel? They see you now.
They would have said one of the teeth and one of the live.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Me no say you did thief for a long time. But we think say you stop that.
Let me ask you a question. I'm me alone on this earth, thief.
Are you alone on this earth, me fi say brother too?
Look at
Are you alone on this earth share the same room as my mother?
Pastor thief? Who in the politics?
Daddy, are you auntie I talk about, not pastor?
Thank you, baby girl. Thank you, baby girl. At least, hey, since one come to no.
You see JPL or JLOP, any one of them want be? From them win separation upon the house.
Stop blaming politics. And you a mess up your life. Juju and Maxi Pre never come pour the rum down your throat, all. How much money you spend on a bar and you pick them there and fight for chicks?
Let me ask you a question. You put something in there? You put something in there?
No, sir. You know, church.
I the wrong one, the wallet in this your pockets.
Listen. Them as between me and you. Let me take time to talk to you. Come on in. Listen. Yeah, man, if we're not brute, and that's it happened to no.
I what do you know?
My
Mind
spirit,
the phone.
me Ray and my nephew, you see it? Me a drink and them just.
He running in the blood. And you, and the smell of the alcohol off of you drunk, the poor baby them.
Who? Them? Them make a baby? And them all over the place with the little young boy, them around the panel.
That's the other thing in a Popeye.
Them,
Hey.
yeah.
Me and you got talk when you're sober.
No. Put some honey gas up. God forbid me find the biggest be a man.
So, Daddy,
You go home your way.
we answer now. You go be away.
How you fi thief and you want, Papa?
We're not thief because you see. We see it and we want it, so we're taking it.
No, that's not right. You're supposed to ask.
Amen.
Just call your father is a thief. Or I hope was. You stop thief now. You stop thief now.
Huh?
You stop thief now.
Kinda.
Daddy.
Cause the politics.
No start a new trend. A trend I run things, not you. Everything a trend.
Yeah.
Start a new trend. Broke away from a papa bad habits.
But Daddy, none of money. All pocket looks so.
Oh, crying your face, a girl. Come here, say, him a woman not the fight, you know.
Which woman?
No. But a woman cry up there, sir.
Listen. You see, that one, me proud of that one back there when he was a baby. But now he put on like a feather and like a wings. Right? Me not proud of that no
Yeah,
more.
fly?
Can you see that one, yeah?
Come here, jump off here for me come by your back.
That one verse than Gali, you know. That one, yeah. It's one of the white fallen when you're raised and they look like they're ready to pluck.
You
And
fi
when you
stop
pluck
it.
them, they know we are
You
not.
have to stop it.
Daddy.
You see that one, yeah? That one is a weapon of farm against
Somebody
me.
back away.
Good. I hope she turn into a cucumber stick and bust your backside
Yes,
for you.
I wanna-
And you need it.
Me can one nice sexy girl come here now, sis. A nice sexy girl. Me could have give me a baby bunchy boy. Can you know what I always want a
You
boy?
can't manage the two you have.
She know. Me tell her to cook a nice.
Daddy, if you can't feed to a tree, you go feed, you not go dead.
Then no wrong.
So if you can't find the money for feed, you go find the money for bury me.
Hey, let me teach you something. You see if none of them dead. Any one of them diaries or pilo or any one of them dead house, they want
You know,
to
say they can't turn
take
around
up on the
preacher.
body.
Yeah.
And when they take up on the body and go with it, but they can keep it all 10 years. Because right now they have body power for all 20 years and nobody now look fit. You can bury free of cost.
Thank God them this year pick the bury parents.
Huh?
You're worthless. Me lose half of you.
Yeah.
So, me
You're
go take
worthless.
$2 million
Worthless bad.
bury dead body.
You love jugu ha. Jugu ha. A woman. And now you get two beautiful angels. You not have responsibility now you for mind them. If it wasn't for mommy and daddy, when them a grow up, and me to a struggle, and me have mine. Eh?
Tell the truth. If me dead, you are going to waste $1.5 million to bury your
Yes,
brother.
we are going to bury you because we are ready to see you dead.
Me give you what you ask for. You see what you put in this world and you put out there for other people, and that's you that get.
All right.
Program go put 2 cup.
Yes, 2 Ray and nephew run back and bury him with 2.
That's my girl. You see? Then
Says her junk class with you.
Ray and nephew.
Why you name them Ray and nephew?
That me I say.
You would have look after
As
them
them students
better.
start calling me Ray and nephew.
Why you name them Ray and nephew? You would have look after them better.
That time you want a son.
You idiot. You
Kinda
know no son in
easier.
your back.
Huh?
You know no son in your back. You idiot. Girls, no follow your father with that. Here, him having good ways about him. Him kind.
Yes.
And him loving when he
Yes.
wants to be.
Yeah, when
He's
you
a-
want to be.
when he, and him is a damn fool most of the time.
But auntie,
We not follow that the part.
where Angel there?
Angel at home.
You can go look for him.
Of course.
Alright.
When? This evening, come on.
You know, so my home is your home, and that's where you
Alright,
grow.
auntie.
How you push them out?
And me help look after them.
So,
More than you.
me not their father. They not half with him can't go.
You not tell me say, drunk man can't make promise and make decision. You not drunk now. So them ask the sober one who is a relative.
Alright.
Go your bed, Popeye, before you drop.
Alright.
Cause me can't even say stand on your feet cause you're winning on points, cause you not even do that.
When you're going, leave the girls.
Are you girls them?
Yeah, leave the girls.
Mm.
I'll see you later.
We are one family here.
No, wait.
Come take it out of my hand. Come take it out of my hand. Come now. Come now. Come now. Remember some of the bigger one, you know.
Bob Marley say,
Sit down. Go
Run
lie
away.
down, Popeye.
I'll fight another day.
Go lie down. You go drop. But rainy nephew.
No, you win today.
Who you?
You're lucky to Bob Marley.
What a passa be? Passa careless father. Beer rum in my drink that a Popeye style be.
Girl, we not take up your rum.
Daddy now go take up it, come on.
No, me think auntie take up it.
Yeah,
Auntie have to take up it.
And you must take up room and put it down. Daddy gonna that much for sleep.
Wait.
Girl, wait, it's Miss Bubble by yourself.
Wait. You need your money?
Of course.
Daddy said, you have to deal man with money.
Me like young boys, when I like a big man.
Dirty picket, girl. What you tell me one say?
You charge too much.
Eh?
Where are you
Big
partying
nose,
my business
eh?
for?
Pay mine.
Girl, you know me can already.
Alright, wait, me I come, turn over yourself.
Me I wonder what? You already your friend more than me or so?
It's my
Eh?
sister.
Your sister? Oh, me forgot to me I drink his petrol for man, you know, na aisle.
Wait. Make sure you send your money and
Give me money, yeah, go see.
make sure.
You know, so me not understand what going on, so.
Stabilize now, see my sister.
Your sister just open your business, so me not understand, you know. Remember, say me dark, me I drink alpha man, you know. And me say, nah, give me me up here, back me fist every man, you say, I come up here tonight. When tonight?
Tonight? Yes. Come on, money me come for begging. You see me, you like, you see me look like Pitney? Me ear want comb,
So,
want some.
so your sister can't do here. Your sister, you can't get to do
Give me
here.
money for my PR. She needs
Eh?
stuff, more groceries and this sitting there.
Jesus Christ.
God.
Every time you see I come check me for money, you never come. Every time you see me, you want embarrass me. What make you stay so?
Oh, me embarrassed. You not having
Eh?
money?
How much people over there say here? Listen, me have money, you know. But right now, no
You
work
can't
now.
talk if you don't want
Listen,
money.
no work now go on right now.
Let me know where it now go on.
No work now go on. You understand? Me tell you work I'm do. The client him not answer the phone. We don't know
So
what go on for
come
start
up
me
with the phone
start.
and start to walk
You mad?
and seek a job.
What kind of job? You know
Okay,
see, papers now work nowadays, you know.
You say you not have the money, me believe you. So,
So
Boy, I just didn't know I said broke.
you know matter with the
I
guys
just
now.
didn't know I said
Stop
you're
being nice,
broke.
man. Go on.
so you not broke too. You go like your man again. Your man again.
Me don't block, me work hard
Eh?
for my money. No man can mind this, I gotta
Why you
mind
say so?
myself.
Are you mind dirty so? If your mind a
We
bad
are
tell a girl.
come, that be nice.
For man like a bed.
Special.
Yes, it's a bit for morning.
Special.
Eh,
Yes, me love.
Yes, instinct man.
Like your mouth.
Girl,
Girl, talk to him and not talk to him.
What's miss?
Let go, my sister, cause you broke.
I want to
Look
pick
where
it,
you
girl,
are,
man.
girl,
I want to try pick it, girl, man. He knows big like a pug nose.
Get up and work, boy. Shut up and work. You're not my sister.
What I say?
Girl,
You look for that there, I'm money on you up there. I'm money on you. Let me out and steal.
Mine, you. Look
Wait a
what.
sec. Just come, you don't believe me.
So what
Believe him. He said have the money. I'ma believe him.
When me I get money, me not get tons of money. One time I have money for you put a dress sister. What's that? Attach in him. Imaga like zebra. How is she? But you have more weight more than she. But where
How about Paula? Somebody slippers a thief?
Yes, a granny slippers.
Me granny dead long time.
You can't step her mouth. Tough in her mouth no.
What?
You know, me a good boy.
Wait, a free tattoo him put on?
This a little girl ain't just enough, sir.
Because you broke.
You stop chatting your chat too much, man.
Shut your van.
Girl, just
You look like you're done for your shut your teeth.
Girl, coupon you can't about. You can't buy me shirt. Eh? You look at basket slippers we have when I come chat up more. Mr. Sheriff was having, you know. Everything you have a try to made. Talk to your dirty sister, man.
She got 32. You don't chat.
Where I say?
Oh, said you know.
They're good, but you know, come by come check me. If you come check me.
Tonight.
You just say something say come here full of me too much.
Me tell you tonight. Hello.
Me tell you.
Come on, me ready.
I must book you here. That's your want. Me no want you go.
You see, it boy not have no sense. Look at in a church.
Shut up, you about no talk.
Wait. Me look good.
You know one way. Oh wow.
Hi.
So. No. That.
Can I care? Me da yam for the boy. And it's the pinky a choke. Me want ram me at the bike.
Oh, so yeah, mine man. So when over here, shut up, don't tell me if it's time. When over here, this man dead for you, that's me name chips on again none. Say to get money, mine man. So you are the chalk.
No, man, choke me at the bike.
But you act like you are the chalk. Go on. Our pinky shall beat you. I'm waiting.
Go
man, the man.
You see me a gymnastic. Yes, so when I sit, and when I go down for nada she, you can walk and big like a chuck. Not because my mom and I can't fight, you know.
He's waiting. Go on, give him the money. Go on, me I wait.
Hey, got a fan push. Follow me, man. Follow me and turn back.
Yeah, take people man, I want to follow you. But what your business?
Hi.
Listen to me. So you see me come forward. I'm stop to you. You see a little fly batty friend them.
No, and I'm a friend that I'm a sister.
We are called fly batty friend.
Sis, easy yourself.
We are. Wow. Don't tell me shut up anymore. Tell your little. Come on, call Alice and said, don't come in to me as my fly batty friend. Don't worry yourself.
Sorry about that.
It's then like a clown excitement and my Tina. Hey, your sister, you say?
Yeah, my sister.
Oh, she look like a light post them on PJ Patterson Highway, so.
Because, you know, you want, you know.
Yeah, she bright, so.
She feel bright.
You start this one here and left here, you know how much girl want me in a village, you know, so I know why you ramp with me thing, you know.
Okay. So all me a work on a man you want other girl. Remember say you broke, you know?
Tell us some more, no, girl.
Remember say you broke. I me buy this a shirt and this a chain. Man, what you do, you know? Cause me a mad girl, you don't know me yet.
You buy me them and I feel like, you make me rich. Think girl, I'm also me broke. See me in them, and I run me down.
Tear them off of your ear, don't play with me. But anyways, you know, gotta work.
Yeah, don't worry about that, man. You see your sister, more you want a sister. Can me disrespect her.
Disrespect who?
Me
I'm
treat
right
her up.
here, disrespect me.
Well, wait.
Are you even chatting or if you chatting, you playing on a rap? You're not a sense, you know?
Hello?
Look here. It's look for my man. In a church. Short.
Mm-hmm.
In a short pants.
And at least me not mind no man.
But the man now, man, you.
Oh, you know
so
that.
shut up.
Oh, me get money to spend by Tiffany this morning.
And daddy give you money.
You did see when him give it to me?
Yes, but did see.
Oh, wow.
But it's when daddy squeeze again. You have to not tell me.
Yes.
Anyways,
See mother father in her.
What you say?
See mother
Yes.
father in her.
Is there a problem?
Do you and her has the same mother and father?
You know, break, girl. Talk to the man and make it seem like you're done. So not a done sister now.
Sometimes we can't understand them at chat, so me have to make him repeat.
So me will be the translator.
Yes, we have the same mother and same father.
So how she look like giraffe, so?
And how you look
Because
like dumb chuck, sir.
Hello, take time and chat now.
Tell him, say, don't mix me in an argument. Come I go jump in like frog.
Frog.
No, not
No,
on
no,
frog,
man.
on fly.
You're more for some mosquito.
At least I'm something.
One.
And a maga sticking in the
Man,
bush.
nobody-
Alright, light
Yeah.
post.
Watch me deal with her. Watch me deal with her. No, she a go
No,
like.
come on, tell the way
She a go like
Make
straight.
him deal with me.
Stop.
You so Pazard said, don't mix me in an
You're
argument.
tough like a rock stone them way
And
turn
at
up
least
on.
me tough. We can manage something.
Live-
Wait, top. Be me something to tell you.
Cause she don't know me.
Want the money, want the
Living nigga.
Bitch.
And I have an eye.
Don't come try with your hips and dips.
Epson.
Even this is fatter than you right now. Even this fatter than you right now.
And at least me have weight.
Your maga like a cheddar and shape like nigga.
Take our money and yeah, woman. You like a chop.
You're tough like water and shape like rope. You tough.
You like a chop.
And my girl make sure you keep piece of food come give me for me
Yeah,
hard now.
yeah,
That me make you know.
Girl, me tell you say, don't this my man.
You not give him no money.
No, so me not give no money.
He love this woman too much.
That me I say. That's God, you put you like a flowers. Go
like money.
You, how are you guys?
So we got look money now.
I literally don't have any on me. Mom got it. But you guys look so pretty. Look at my two cousins.
So you come on. No, so well, and look like auntie has starved on the all white color dance can feel lip so.
What do you mean?
Yes, dear, so.
I'm on
Sure.
a diet. I'm actually slim. You remember the fat girl that you left? I'm actually slim. I'm on a diet.
Oh, I never realized Jesus Christ.
Me need glasses as well.
I never realized.
Huh?
Well, auntie don't know. Oh, yo, me never know auntie that let out her goal.
You know that she didn't actually let me out, but I'm a little curious because
So the walker look for her?
yeah, I'm looking where she is.
Yeah, twang door.
Oh my God, thank you.
Oh my God, thank you.
Yeah.
Hold on, turn on.
Huh?
Jesus Christ, you get the batty. Am I saying batty is to trouble him?
Wanna stop?
Open her back so
Wanna
say.
stop? Wanna
Alright,
stop?
sorry.
Yeah.
We're glad to see us.
Come, share twang
Yeah,
with
I'm
twang
actually
too.
glad to see
Wait.
you guys as well.
Hi, how are you doing today? You okay?
Yeah.
I'm alright, you guys?
But where you heading to in the evening?
I'm actually going to meet my mom.
Wait, me can't twang so fast. Hold on.
Anyways, me ya walk look for auntie. For auntie last.
Wait. Me glad say auntie coming now. Because
What do you mean?
Yes, auntie teach daddy a lesson today.
What are you guys talking about?
girl, remember say your uncle, your best uncle, you say, remember saying it love.
Oh, Uncle Popeye.
Yeah, him love rum.
Really?
Rum I'm light and salvation.
Oh, I forgot to say, Jesus Christ, you don't remember everything.
Him go so far,
Guys,
come back at twang pound way.
refresh my mind.
Remember say, Uncle Popeye did love rum.
Oh, yeah.
And he used to church out pan roadside, we have to go for him.
Oh, yeah, you
and
remember the
climb
time
over yard.
all of us had to carry him like he was a
and
dead
he drop in
body?
a gutter.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
Yes.
What happened?
Auntie teach him a lesson, girl.
For you?
Yes, it look like we're joking.
So, how you guys get so slim, like slimmer?
Hey, girl, I did me.
Yeah, tell me so we are dead for hungry.
Girl,
Me must see the big like cow, you know. And you more fear dead for hungry.
I really can't understand some of the language. So.
You're the only one here dying for hunger. We look like we died for hungry.
me have to love, girl.
Remember, you did big like a cow, you know. And you look so much
no.
weight,
I
your
am
body
thin
like a
flat.
needle.
Hold on, feel me time now, feel me time. Remember say you did big like Humpty Dumpty.
I can't understand the language, so you guys have to be clear
Girl,
with me.
I Jamaica, your man and grow.
hold on, let me tell him something. Girl, you know how cow look?
Cow?
Some fat cow.
What's a cow?
Jesus Christ.
Spell cow.
Cow? C-O-W.
So you don't know what cow.
I don't know how a cow looks.
1 4 foot black and white, brown, black, yellow, green, and you don't know cow.
Alright, you know how fat people look? Do you know how fat people look Humpty Dumpty?
Oh, you mean come on the road?
Come out of the road. You know how... What me that's how I say?
Fat people.
Oh, you mean oversized people?
Obese people.
Oh, okay, yeah, I
How
understand
fat
that.
it look.
Really?
So not because You're slim now. You want to come this? Let me get me good fan gymnastic. Don't this me and me sister.
Alright, you guys calm down, alright?
So you got to lose much weight.
You guys are, you guys really like speak some English. I can't really understand what you guys are saying.
Get
So-
used to the pot war.
You couldn't press your jerk.
You see, so.
What you guys mean?
Nothing. You're just alright.
I'm just literally in a dress. You guys should be happy to see your cousin.
So if you don't touch, I'm put it back down.
No.
Not the man.
Weird. Not the man. So weird. You want to come this? Let me look on your foot.
Why you guys bullying me?
We not bully you.
But you are bullying me, but we maga so we have for this anyways.
But the
You know, see, I started run joke. Get them going.
Yes.
A prank. Wait, camera. A prank we are running.
It's over there, so.
No, you have to eat.
Oh yeah.
What on there?
Mom carried about 4 to 5 barrels.
Auntie, what? So we don't have to carry the yard.
No, she said, she's gonna basically share it up for the family members.
Hey girl, I'm telling you this. Just let me tell you what you do. Just keep, you see what I feel? You see the good chocolate, me sweet them, give them because you're hungry, come on, you hungry. Yeah.
Alright.
No, it princess have to go in the middle.
Alright, guys.
Hold the bride. Oh,
What's that?
girl. We can't walk.
Huh?
See? Yeah? My belly. Fully. Adre, you couldn't tell me, you're so anti-rules full of food.
I was telling you that we actually,
But
bought 4 barrels.
I feel a tablet cup there.
Yeah.
I want 4 tablet cup, you can't give me one. You
I
can't
didn't know.
make it
I had to ask Mom for it.
Granted.
So some big dog come here now,
Girl, control your dog.
One go in the book up in the yard, no?
Come on,
How?
come on, want a dog bite me, come to
How am I supposed to do that?
Run them shoe fly, run!
Yeah.
You don't run down!
Move, dog, move. Anyway,
So we up in the yard.
Wait. I'll try.
Okay, go on.
Sure.
One up to the dog, the man tell him one up in the yard.
Alright, sure.
Stare at this.
Sure.
Stare at this. Yeah. So we can control.
The dogs are not moving.
Wait, no girl.
Go and go with the dog then.
We can't tell her she can't stay up there. She, our auntie, which one?
Wait, come, auntie, but you gotta tell her, so they convince auntie to make her come up there.
You better bet if you're green.
Alright, come.
So girl,
Huh?
you can't make. You
can't convince auntie to make her stay up there.
You want company, girl. You're
I don't know.
boring.
I have to ask Mommy for that.
Find your cousin.
Auntie, yes, auntie.
Oh God, auntie, we love up your yard, man.
Hi,
You do this
Mommy.
over here, pull up foot, auntie, my belly. Hold me, Hey, me say me couldn't have no more. Auntie, you couldn't have some bag up there.
Mom, you didn't tell me that my cousins are coming to look for me.
Auntie,
Hush.
so you can't, I wanna go short to your family.
What do you mean?
Food.
Hey, when the family help me work, when the family help me hustle, me will give what I can, you know that.
Whenever I realize Auntie locks, Auntie, I see you grow tall.
Like Rapunzel.
Tell Auntie, the your auntie ear this shots. So I will put.
It's far and grey with my auntie. Auntie, we can't come up here and go and see you.
Yeah.
I
What do you know?
video.
And then I see me this morning, what do you know?
Yeah, but whenever they
Something
realize
that's
you lock.
new.
Oh, so when you're not hungry and not blind,
Your
and when
shots
you're
look
not
nice,
full, you
your
can
auntie.
see.
Yes, and skin clean, flawless.
But we are
Right,
Auntie.
one after, one want, what? One want.
Yeah, she's married to my dad.
Wanna drop a lick on the head?
So, we never come a wedding.
And that me I say, oh,
It was
overseas.
overseas.
Oh, sorry.
Auntie, that did not enough phone.
Auntie could have told we could have come from banana boat.
What? What's the banana boat?
Banana
yes,
boat. You will soon figure it out.
What you do your cousin then?
I didn't do them.
Auntie, up and down, we
nothing.
want
They
come.
asked.
No,
They
you
asked.
don't
There was
share.
like,
Shoo.
okay.
Auntie, you can't eat 20 times a
Hold
day.
on, let my daughter see me. Oh, not going, son.
Auntie. Guess what, Mark, we are short forever, you, forever, me and you, Auntie, and, oh, that's so sweet,
Yeah.
Auntie.
I want to come up here. Go and live with you.
Yeah.
Leave it all.
Yeah, you.
Oh yeah, Mom, you're gonna let him stay with us?
Yeah.
I did what you told me to do. I did what you told me to do.
Tasha Moody, me nah lie to you, no. Me raise on like my own.
Yeah. Auntie, go with this?
Yes, sister.
Gonna say yes?
And my sister, your father now need no good.
Yeah.
And my sister know I try. And I bicker over cheat chicks, which is not good.
Yeah,
But girls, me I gotta tell you no.
Yes!
Tell Angel.
Yeah.
You know, for walk and beg people food. It not look good.
Mom, but they're my cousins. They were hungry and they
Auntie,
were
and I
And
beg
you
you,
can
babe.
come round to my house. My house is your house. Your house is... And you can come round to my house anytime.
So we can come and live up
But we
there.
not have no vacancy like that, baby. Sorry. You know, see how small Tash bed be? A single bed Tash sleep.
sleep on the ground.
Angel sleeping now.
yeah, my bed is very small.
No, sleep on which ground?
Girl, me shame.
Auntie, where do you
Oh, no, gutter trash. None of my family are gutter trash here. And never on a good family yard and sleep on ground.
Auntie, I'm here this auntie. See, I tell you, say we can't not even one night.
And they can come every
One hour
day
sleep with you, one hour sleep with you.
Remember, say husband of the year.
Wait,
Auntie, what do you do with the rum?
the road?
Yeah.
Oh, Mom, I tell you something sweet.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they gave me something sweet to drink, and now I feel so
Shut up.
nice.
Hold on, what kind of sweet things you give?
Oh,
And then
chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate tongue, it's sour tongue.
Yeah.
Come here. Hey, step out of the way.
Yeah?
Come here. In front of me.
Yeah, okay.
For me smell your breath.
Mom, I feel like I was in that video game, like I'm actually floating.
You're floating.
Mm-hmm.
Which one give you the drink from
Come
below? Come here. Come here, my
And
niece.
it was like a full glass bottle.
Remember, say we should
And
couple mango.
Auntie, put one mango tree and come back here.
No! Tasha and Moody, me say, get your backside back here, so right now. Me I know your pa.
and I saw some smoke or some fog coming out my mouth. It was something sweet that they gave me actually.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I feel
here
like
to
I'm
me.
in the water.
Come here to me.
Tell
Hey, you
me.
come here to me.
Yeah.
Nigga, yeah, fool.
What a passa me. Passa.
We can't believe, say, the angel gunshot.
Me no know where you little girl rum fine now. Make a game, make him think say I'm a game. Make him, come on man, make him feel like him a float.
What are you telling me for game?
But then I make ya, me tell you, you do it. You should have given her rum. Yes, no. The pinky this, so, come here, so.
Where are you for?
No, for pinky top link, man.
What? Girl, me a man.
She a take your man.
What's man?
Top link.
What's tapping?
Your top link.
Come here.
I don't mean you forget what I just talking.
What you know about my man?
I don't mean she say you talk and she say she a gymnastic.
What? I don't talk. What gymnastic?
I see you get this with your cup.
Hey girl, come here. Come here.
Me not touch your man, me not. Jesus Christ, you're wicked. Beat her. That big girl, 20,000 left in our ear too. You're wicked. Look at me.
Come on, Yate. Come on, Yate.
Me not touch your man. Jesus Christ.
Hey girl. Hey. When you come here, feel good today, you know. Cause I would have beat out the woman. Come on, the girl you take. Now worry on yourself.
That would teach you to take people, man.
But me not take nobody, man, girl.
You can't take people, man.
Oi. Oi. How are you do?
Oh, what you need to know is, your woman just beat her around from the corner. That you need to know.
Hi.
Come, guy, your yard.
You see me get beat up. No, you want to cut me, yay.
How you talk to?
No, you.
I want this lean up too much in here. I'm here to chat to.
Yes, you me talking. If me lean up, you bend up.
Oi. Bag wire. Zinc fence.
And at least you have...
Grass straw. Oi. Grill too much. I'm here to talk to.
Saying about me.
Me back you.
I'm here to chat to.
Me? My back too little, me can't back you.
I couldn't this a robot fence side of the chat. I'm here to talk to. Look where you look.
You see put them bend up like last skit.
Bend up, bend up.
You see you need them knock.
I might tell you what bend up, bend up.
10 more bend up.
That between your legs now bend up, bend
Oh,
up.
you know if it bend up and twist up.
Could look long in the tights.
Oh, you know.
Can't say so then stretch it out.
Yes. Go on, make sure you say what's trying to tell the woman in the reach up there. We should have beat you too.
If you go on, you
Me look like me, I take people, man. I don't walk and take people, man. Yeah, next one, don't drive me. Come here, take people, man. That's how they beat you.
Problem for me.
It's with man problem.
Yeah, man problem.
Go up the hill.
run butter, where they do?
You're not getting the money, guy.
Yeah, wait, you say for run butter, go wash up and buy butter.
Come on.
Come on, that black thing you do, man.
Yeah, man, up for me money, though. Boy,
Take
them and walk. Feel like me, man.
But you take people, man.
Girl, me not take nobody, man.
Your name Pinky?
Okay, me not take nobody.
Your name
man.
Pinky? You know say you're gymnastic? You should have gymnastic when I get the lick them. Go up the hill. Come on.
Here, man, me go beat him, but no worry. I true. Me say we eat up an auntie, so.
Your belly.
Yeah, me couldn't fight.
She should have lick out of the food. Nothing got the problem for me now. And let me tell her to beat you. Me just give her the story as it is and she beat you. Come, let me help you. Be a kind sister. Come, I'm gonna put you on my back. Cry. Oh, she never cry.
Wicked man. And me and sister. And me a go party cho. Revenge is a must.
Revenge is a must.
Revenge is a
Come on,
must.
go for a revenge.
Long run, hard catch. We up, man.
Why we no man inside your seat?
Move yourself, man. No, give me hungry again.
Let the free rum sweet.
How do you?
What? No. Listen up for your sister again. You can't left her. Don't say you can't dump her, don't so.
Dump her away.
Don't listen like your bitch bin.
That's why me here say, sharp man tear shit. That's why you go there with the tall man.
You see me out there with man, girl?
Wait.
Please don't listen now. You see me out there with man?
We met to tear shit.
Yes, you go there with the tall man down the road with the tall.
They don't listen to her.
But me,
Stabilize, man.
but me ears.
Where you come about?
But me ears a talk.
Revenge is a must. Revenge with what?
Me ears a talk. Sharp.
Yeah, next one.
What talk about? But what kind of man?
Yes, you don't know you.
Any catch with the man? Are you there,
But are your sister talk your business? Are your sister?
You ever hear me say she catch with man? You ever catch with man?
No worry. Don't worry. What you want?
I'll die next one.
Look
too.
who come here. Hey, look where come here. Give you what? You don't like it. I want. What you want me do? Go up on me and play.
I saw you share me in front time I make you feel money, you can't win no money. But you drink special.
A free rum.
From man in here, I know your cup can't change.
A free rum. Look. Free rum. My friend.
Come on, darling.
My friend say, yo, you want that shot? Me say, yes. Because what? You up a yard, and you not come check me, and you come give me woogie, so come call me, come tell me, say, come check me.
You can't, man.
You see tonight come yet?
Eh?
Me not tell you tonight.
Tonight, by the time I blink out tonight, come here,
You
come
can't
check you.
buy a man one pants.
You know see me one pants.
Girl, go take off your man pants.
Alicia,
Go take off your
man pants, yes. You see me in the
Go take off your sister blouse.
Alicia,
You
wear
see
something
bad
for me.
color, you nah, say nah, wash. You come again, go and style me. Go on your
We don't have any fat man.
And that's why I get one kid, don't have no
Girl,
use at them.
girl.
You want to say this in there?
Girl, you see your face like King of the Forest. You see your face as
And
strip.
stop disrespect me sister.
Girl, stop.
You don't see a bleaching cream that help you all through life.
Yes, because I can't afford bleaching cream.
Argue with them. You're the next
Girl,
one.
bleaching cream,
And these
school
stuff
fee.
here is not cheap.
So where brings germs school play for Bakayo?
Oh, James.
Calling bro.
Oh, James. Stop your mind. Hold me on the egg. Hold me on the egg. No, me telling the egg. Hold me. Stop your mind.
Nah, be a girl come back. So why? Why reason why?
Shut up your mouth. Hey, alright.
What?
Hey, hold me on. Hold me on.
Touch me.
Hold me on. Alright.
Touch me. Red face, touch me.
I don't touch me. Catch ears. Come here. Hold me on. Hold me. Hold me.
Why? You hear something like you give me? Tell your sister say you give me.
Hold me on.
Tell your sister say you give me.
Me and say I'm fuck with my.
You stop with Jen? About that class, most of what who?
Hold me on.
Come on, this time of this, me not see. You see?
also.
You know, back a sister, you know.
What's also?
You want spend money for you? Eh?
Shut up now.
Eh?
Me stop take this class, my sister. She stop here.
Where I say no? Where I say no? Me calm down
Me
now.
come back for the money.
Alright, watch out now. Tonight you come check me, we get money. Come check me tonight. Yeah?
Come on, time broke. I'm ready.
So when I want to make sure you run for
No,
my
that's
life,
not weird. So me
I
feel your
sister line.
pocket.
You stop.
Try.
Listen, see how you flump for me get on. You can't do that, you can't touch me up on road, so.
I did.
You can't, me can't touch you up too.
Me in my pocket.
Go on up. Go on up, cause you know what your big lip sister. Go on.
You know, but I was stopping I. Car. I just stop
Twist
paying
it,
mine.
girl. You
You know, but I was stopping I.
Twist it and chaka.
Yes, if it is up and chaka.
One.
But tell her, say, I want to walk this man there. Me tired to tell you. If you left him, come on. I will watch you equal now. Money. You can cost half the boy. Remember, say me can give you money. Me have money down here. If you tap on, well, me good on me give you.
I'm gonna take a man money.
Continue. No, hey, you see, if I never wall, you know, me turn already, you know. Sister, you know, I'm going to the boy for, but you too bright, you want disrespect him, and I make nobody disrespect your sis. You just making run off him more. They know time money me did want. You know, say, you have to tough and have sex with him. You know, how long me not sleep with him? Oh, you know sex with him? No. Okay, no, don't have no sex with him here. Come here, say, auntie have AIDS, your whole family have AIDS. So must sleep with the family? Your whole family have AIDS, girls, and I must take if you have AIDS, and one girl we marry. So say me tell you, one girl we married with have gonorrhea. So me not want to mix and mix with them. Why they? Me not sleep with it, man, you know that. But just tell him, I feel like me gonna link him back tonight and see if me can get the money. No linking tonight, me have money. When you go to bed for me? Yes, I'm good here, but not now. Me no want you mix and mingle and them a man a business and me little sis. You understand? And me have to back you coming on nobody this year road and I'm glad to hear him no lie down where say he honey. But when me tell you, if you go do it power donkey, come on, can you when him dumpling man? Yeah. If you go alright, come on. Come on, make nobody this too. Remember say put out pan this, you know? Yes, no, sir, you sit down pan that. So share the block. Sure. Boy. No, look water, man. How about you water? Me beg you. When me go peace. Anyways, take time to come back to my dream party. As I was saying, my auntie, me say, why me should not even make her daddy not give me? Auntie, I tell me she not have vacancy. She tell me she can make us sleep. One hour sleep with her, and 1 hour sleep with her cousin. I saw auntie tan man. We can visit her now, but he not gonna make we turn down the kind of say we go nyam down. Me go down there. Me go down there at night, catch me and just sleep. If you auntie go cuss, if make she cuss, if she wait me act like make sleep in the same way. Anyways, why? You chat too much, you know. With what? I make it fat, dumpy girl beat me chalk. Eh? You could have beaten her, you know. We could have beaten her, but... And I'll tell lie. You! What's the boy the big stone me? The boy not big stone, you. Oh, yep. Me did it. The Bible say... Thou shalt not steal. Yeah. Children obey your parents, which is right. Yeah. We want to live long. And also Saturday we go to church too. Yeah. Yeah, make daddy feel proud. And we are stay till all 7:30. Yeah.
Well, we could feel like son of father idiot. Why could you think to me an idiot?
We never tell us you're an idiot.
I think what the Bible say. Which man are they talking about?
The Bible, Jesus. Yeah, we are talking about Daniel.
You know if Jesus is man or woman? Huh?
Jesus is a man. The Bible says he's a man. Mm-hmm.
The Bible tells us that who write the Bible?
White man.
It don't matter what color. Who write the Bible? The Bible comes from inspiration. You hear? The Bible comes from inspiration.
Me
right?
tell us that it can be a preacher in I want elder in one church. But we are talk. He's sober. You not drunk today?
No, I go sleep it off. I sleep it off.
Catch you and the thief you rob. My money done. Go away.
Anyway, You're 18, you so 18, you so 19. This is the thing I want to
Wrong. Me
You're
so
not even
18.
know your daughter them age.
Where your daughter, where you have that adopted daughters? Which one?
Anyway, you take him is still right.
No.
One so 18,
No.
one so 19. Me no idiot. Right? I'm not idiot.
Wrong.
I get one where 2008, and I get one where 2007.
What?
Yeah. 2007, 2008. You know
Yeah,
what?
you're right. You're right.
Anything, one hour not gonna become that. But one hour no. Me no want soon with the little young boy, man, run up and down, because the little young boy then can't go no nothing. So what I know, it's like, oh, you are 18, 19, and she is 17. Me can't put her out to man. But you know, I can fix you up tomorrow and take you down the beach. Yeah, man. Lot of white man down there. They would have buy rum, give me, and they would have fix you up.
So my sister turn product.
Huh?
A product.
What do you mean by product?
Cause you sell product.
I don't understand what product.
When you fix up Carolina Beach to white man, I sell you sell. Daddy, see if you want to white man,
No, look
go
for me.
to the beach to the white man them.
Look for me good. That's the sale for me.
You have a point.
You be invisible.
Because if you were not my daughter, I wanna look you. We just a try to make an investment off of
So
you.
yeah, tell her if you get money, can come give you.
Did I say that?
So why you fix up Carolina to the beach? You want white man?
Nope.
Okay, we should don't want any white man. Go down there, go look white man yourself.
No. White panda. Better you say woman.
He say white man, he never say woman.
You need to look at white woman because you want help.
You is the weapon that farm against me.
And I will forever be that weapon.
I'll give your mother how much pills to take. Because when me see she come out, you know, we said, see your mother sent time too long in the oven. And when you were in the home, I give your mother
I am a blessing.
pill. Pill.
Be never be dead.
Pill back a pill. And you still insist to flourish.
Come here, go ready him, come down to the beach now. Come on now. Where you see
Tash.
S-A-L-E?
So daddy.
Tash,
Wait there, daddy. Pan a big level, daddy.
you know, feel like say your father to get back some investment when spend time.
No, that's your job. Nobody never tell us to trouble before we there and make we there here as tougher.
You know how much workless papa out there now mind up a chick now a child?
You are mine Ray and nephew.
So I grudge me because I can buy me.
Daddy, hold on. Daddy, hold on.
Your father?
Hold on, sis. And if your jacket.
Can be.
Look for chin. You see chin?
Daddy not have no chin.
You're right, Chicho. Your pass more than a jacket.
I'm the suit.
And
where
yeah,
think
very
to be the
good. Yes, so
shoes?
how we not have none. Yes, so. Oh, maybe our mom we get it from.
You see?
Yeah, shut up now, and I don't to say.
Who shut up?
You.
I calm me nerves.
I'm
Yeah,
Call
I
the
don't
devil
say.
at 10 feet, just hold it to one another and come whoop, together.
gonna get Ray and him nephew for you.
Yeah.
But you want rum on the bar.
I don't want you buy me no Ray, I know nephew. I have my... I can buy that.
But today you're hungry. You're not even buy porno for fry fritters.
Get it,
But you gonna go buy Ray and him nephew and sit down with a bar and drink.
Shut up, I don't feel money. Remember, say
Yes,
auntie give money if you put down.
Just take me and know they with the little brown boy out the road, they full of tattoo.
You did see me with him?
People, anything what people say.
People don't know. People care false rumors. Did you see me with him?
There with nobody.
Okay.
Nobody. Him and the boy don't have no interference, so they don't dare.
Exactly.
Okay. No chin daddy.
Okay.
Anyway.
So no chin daddy. To feed them the same way, right? You come. Come.
Boy, daddy, boy. Daddy, take me out of bed for no reason. Slap me up, brother. Break up yard and something. Wash up plate.
So when gone.
He said I got road. You know ain't gone on road go do. Sis, me can't take this man. Me a big one. And me no want me in this. Before me go rent a house, I go live with auntie.
Live with you.
Yeah. Can I matter you see me and I sit me and work and me have money put on, you know. And me can rent a house, see me, but guess what?
Daddy careless for that for your
In
father.
careless too, cause I end the day we go to him
Right
and
now,
say,
me wish auntie and name my mother.
you wish auntie and your mother, you wish auntie was your mother.
Yeah.
Me auntie was your mother because she nice, she take care of her daughter nice
And she not gonna make you hungry, she not gonna make you look worse than a
yeah.
body.
Me say, be dear.
You talk about the food.
I food me I talk about the food.
Me not talk about the food, me I get fed up of daddy now, man. In Ghana road, in money, we know in Ghana full fame belly. Then go drink.
And you know
out
say
the
me
money.
say I'm one girl with the scan him. Here, you know.
If you want to get scam a fame business.
But he averaging good data and feed we feed upon mackerel. We soon favor mackerel.
Me and Leah say she had a class in but he must feel like I'm what she call we as? I think my word that she call we as.
No worry. Just put pictures in our God, that's right.
People have if it talk or not take care of we every day them see my rum bar.
I'll give me phone.
You send me phone this morning.
I have the whole day me look for.
Right,
how much you did? 21. I'm a phone day 100.
When I learn.
No change, daddy. And that they hold me and beat me now for fighting me now.
It's me run.
When I learn. Huh? Your sense is gone. Huh?
You make it gone.
Huh? I think
And where you come from?
I went to the art like yesterday.
Daddy, think around, man.
I'm in a Richard Road yet.
You think around, boogie around.
You know. Teach you something. I'm go on like some head bigger than mine. Right? I'm not the father here.
Your head is small.
Me is the father. Big head. Me talking.
Daddy, you know nothing about you.
Me talking.
Where you come from back at your house on this?
Me go look for me weed them. Right?
You think Chrome early this morning, you think me not see about in a reach a road?
Yeah, me have to take a little shot of me having on my back. Let's take me that. You take me there make you waste. Me run out with look water and drink it.
In buckle?
Anyway.
Yes, yeah, but I want to back so I need to take shot.
You chat too much.
Awa, me
You
a
chat
daddy.
too much.
Where you let me for daddy?
You chat too much.
But make the chat me using it.
Hello. You two and my sister come here today. Please to make it she know that when the father in the hospital and enough to check me down. Yes. Tell him stuff coming on.
You well want reach a hospital?
No.
You well want go pan dopey bed?
No.
You well want go pan your soon
The
reach
blood
there.
of Jesus against it.
But you say you
You
want
claim me real life already. Better get we just make somebody put you in the hospital.
No. My sister love me so much. She will go to the money and the car come over back hungry.
Hey, now we're not doing that for you to drink it out.
Go sell your weed them.
We rather do it and take the money and buy something to eat.
But me I can't hear in there.
Come in now.
Well, I need big batty girl. Can't him a daddy, man. I'm tell her, say, daddy, give him money we can put on. So that time that if nothing
So
happen.
you know about me and my big bossy girl.
Don't worry yourself, me ear do.
You see?
Nothing to stay down for too long.
Me want to tie same girl be here.
Me think that me need to carry a big woman in here. If you jack it up and put it down on the stage because we don't live too free.
That
Let's see how long she's gonna stay.
And that me I say, not go live free in this house, yeah.
You know what me I say? You, the little one. Big head. Cause you the little one here, big head.
Hello, don't come my sister big head.
Right now, I don't shoot no feeling.
Yeah, because you don't have no chin, and we have chin.
I don't shoot because my people wanna let me down.
What we are let down with, you are let we down. You are let down with future, say, daddy, make we go to school. You can't shop me run money and grow on this on form that sound like an ambulance.
You can't learn. All the Rama do is slowly kill you. We put in money to buy one casket and keep a proper funeral for
You not have a bike. Your foot BMW, better me walk. So daddy, you can't buy one newspapers. If I look sweet. You have money. And you can't buy one slippers, daddy.
Me we insert terminal no mama.
You're not saying you're not sure if you're fear.
Yeah.
We could have bag no in a bag and dash away no.
Bag who?
I'm not going to diss me.
Me, I wonder, say, when grandma push you out, what she a think about? I want to follow that think about. Look at hell. You feel about parrot.
Achoo, man.
No, me can't get him banned. Me can't get him banned.
What a passa passa be. Passa passa careless father be rum him a drink that
Oh, you said it. Oh God.
You give me heart attack. Pinky, you give me heart attack.
Me just a come from pay, I don't know.
Eh? So you not tell me, you not call me and tell me say you come down here.
You see phone for me?
Where do the phone buy what day?
Mash up.
You ever mash up phone, sir? You salt with the phone, you know? You don't have no luck with no phone. I go buy one iron phone this time.
Iron phone can't do nothing. Anyways, me just a come from pay and find out say up the lock. So my bag.
A lot of things are going up there. Some big rat live up there, you know. Every time I buy my floor them up there, you know. The rat are going to go bite it out. So I got slap the door.
Say the rat can't walk through the door.
I don't know if I want big rat. But now going up there. Think you should have calm. You can't pop up on me like this, you know. You can't do that. Next time you call.
Me gonna
Because
call
you know
upon.
you're busy. But we're borrowing your friend phone. Your friend have phone. Your sister have phone up there.
No.
That's why you want to catch up on mine. Just pop up on mine.
Yeah.
Like that, you know. Come, bro, I just want to make a call and say, pop with that clear throat a while ago and I come. What you do?
What me a clear my throat for?
Clear throat, man.
For what?
What you mean?
So me stuck in there?
You know, stuck in it. I say something stuck in the body.
But what me a come so? What me a come so for?
I've had pumpkin. I will breed us.
Well, me have news.
News? What kind of news I have?
Well, yesterday I find out say I'm 4 months pregnant and I am father.
So all the day you drink from, you just find out say you're pregnant.
Yeah.
A rum baby that you have in your belly. A rum baby.
How me get here for? How me get here for?
So, tell me now, you sure say picking here for me? Cause no me alone I chat to you know.
You know where's me a chat to?
I feel like a jacket that. I don't mind feeling I've got the DNA or something. You two men say I don't want you.
Well, me come back and if you start out.
Start out what?
This was inside of me.
You sure?
I go right here, sir. I would again.
I want them to put influence.
Eh?
How them ya?
Oh, she?
How them to put me ya?
Me no know her, you ask about them. Me know you.
All of a sudden you know where you come from.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. My name talk to my sister.
Me no know them. Back up. No me know see so. Anybody see some media so.
Hello.
You can ask about
You didn't
them.
know Sam did married?
Wearing there.
Don't worry about it. You didn't know Sam did
Married
married?
there.
No, I'm gonna marry.
You didn't know Sam have a baby mother?
Well. Only thing my grandfather
How much?
have no sex.
I am 17 turning 18.
I look up in them, you really are still there.
Me no know. I don't know this girl pick from nowhere.
Little girl, let me tell you this. I'm 18 years old, okay?
You still look up in them for me.
Don't
No,
tell
you
me
still look up in them for me.
Do not touch
Me no know her first me a
Well,
Eh?
come here, so.
Many angry people
Look
that
at show me guys to show my shirt, sir. That's her first shirt to buy me, you know. Buy me there, you know.
You really
I can't talk about married. We can't talk about
When
which
you
married
married?
me no know where I
Hey,
talk
don't
about.
put on to me. Say you look like unstable Wi-Fi.
Oi, your mouth.
Them a crash.
Your mouth.
Themselves.
Hello, no, because me a breathing on me. Take off me belly and fight you.
No, me
You
can't.
are the next one when you married.
One point in my face, I don't know you.
Hello.
I don't know your first name.
Sis, if I look into
Where you come from?
sensible.
A rich bitch like yourself.
She don't look sensible.
Me take off my belly and nana it one hotel.
Take it off. Come. Let me see it.
Oh,
I'm a get pregnant. Me make you lose.
Watch out, stop for a fight. You can't share, no share. You can't share, man. No one man, no one of me. You can't share when I talk about. Pinky, you can't share. Pinky, stop watching my shirt, Pinky. Stop watching my shirt. Your belly, you cannot fight. We are do. You want to look in your belly. Come see me say fear money that spend for you.
That's why I never have no money.
You must say fear money spend for you. All the bread and boy what they fear money. Remember that good no.
Say my money, the guy.
Listen, a fear shot you know. Actually long and mag I sit out. You put me on Pinky. Oh,
Hello. Oi.
This dog can't
Any
say any money, but the man say what this.
me can't tell the same.
Where you go? When you are,
You come here,
me can't tell the same.
Hey, boy. Hey, me boss here, you know. Oh, when you check if me hand is still there.
You don't worry yourself.
No one phone it.
You are gonna get
Hey, look, man, come on, can you get sick? Come on. Oh, copy.
It's a girl, me shame.
I don't want this to touch me because I would that.
No shame, man.
Actually, because I get pregnant, you know. Actually, because she pregnant, you know, Miss Maid sick.
Come like my head left me and got Wonderland a while ago.
But anyways, me God say you know what to pay food to the boy.
Okay. So you have man, we have baby mother.
She.
Oh, Flamingo Satellite. Janua. Yo. Wait, I want to talk. Now them mix up. What go on?
Which mix up?
So, she have a man, who have a baby mother, and he told her to see a man.
Don't do that.
Ramp with me.
Don't do that. Don't mix and mingle me. I no blender. Don't mix and mingle me. A man did have one baby mother and plus they're married. A one man me have.
Don't mix it in a blender.
No.
So you move like all purpose.
No, me not move like none. I'm single.
How?
Man really want you.
I want something for you.
Man really want you. We have all them baby mother.
You're blind.
You know about that try, cause for your fat and umpy dumpy woman, I did one acid in front, but you see you becoming a carry with me, I did one diabolo team bomber, but then, you see you because my body did too full, me I want it to, someone about a fighter.
Calm down, tree whiz.
Thanks.
Stop load up yourself.
If she a true with your
Thank
elephant.
God somebody did want you. And make sure say, you always have money. And right now, you notice something in backpack? It's a little trip more and go up on some one piece of food. So,
Hello, the money not there here for you. Go and take a loan at NHT.
String bean, nobody not talk to you.
Hello, man,
If I'm a string bean, you're the elephant.
What's in a fire for a string bean as a
Yes, it will be string bean.
Yes, it will be string bean.
That's a woman a chalk.
Yeah.
Big chalk, we can go up ill good.
Relax yourself in the flat screen TV. I want you.
At least my expensive.
Where?
When want to think of it, you can't work for yourself, you can't work. You don't start leave for me, so you can't work.
But you
All
want
of my
money?
performance down here,
Which performance?
that is more
I
than
one
work.
time I told you say you never did good, so something that like you again. I'm stop paying money for your care. You don't deal me the right way. You want better chat foolish. The way you share me, I mean to say, oh baby, when I do this and I do that, you share me, that's something else for the money.
dear.
Top waist a breath fire coal, want you?
Where's it?
I said top waist a breath fire coal.
We are called fire cool.
Want you just said jump up
Oh,
and
yeah,
touch
if
a
you fire coal, your ashes, your burn out
your
ashes.
sister. I broke you out, you know.
Nobody can broke me
I
out.
see me find out your man one next man on the road.
She not mine, man. Today she stop mine, man.
You, I go have it out here.
You have a problem? And my money, me work hard for my money, so me spend who more spend it pan.
Listen to
The money don't pay you.
Bye.
Mr. Girl, actually, no did want this to buy into feisty man.
Listen, me have to find one way to get back to him. It's a must. Time now, do me that and fix me gonna get a scot free. And then go cock up in a bed with her same way.
How we gonna make up a plan, man?
You don't know yet. Something must come to me by the time I reach down this
Girl,
town.
I forget.
If you see she never pregnant, yes, man. She forgot to
I did one pull out why fat leg. Them sit there look like fat leg cock up so. You know fat leg foot and look. I saw you sitting there looking at it. I did one this quality girl. Let's see.
No, so me
Just
can't-
making go shoo.
But then me can't use somebody. Why you somebody if you come to me? Oh, small girl then. Me apply for the people then.
Don't me tell you say sis.
Alright. Don't learn to apply. Yes, come.
Go chicken. Just don't be rude, man.
Hello.
Sexy.
1 minute. Why you to something?
Well, I know.
Please.
Away I go. Something important I go. You me that go pan.
Oh, come. Alright.
Come on, so
No, you go son not there, so turn right, so back and like this.
Alright.
Come on, do something for me. My baby father, Jesus God, my man. I was baby mother, me never know about. Me just a find out. More. Me not go say use it. More you do something for me. More you go on. Nice, him up and sitting and talk to you, make him feel like say, yeah, you want him in a things. You know? Cause me have to get back at him.
Me sure it's an ugly man. Me You
Sister
say your
David.
man.
Hold on, wait,
Yeah.
wait. Wait. See me, you see it?
Yeah, me see that boy around the place.
Yeah, in a
Yes, up there
newspaper
so
and
and
potty
out a
dumpling.
dumpling sit down and yam.
Make sure you say you can't feed no. You're not for about to feed him part, but
But wait. Fear man. Me have one baby mother, you say. Me
no,
never know
married, he
about-
married, he said
I'm
he
married. I can't fight, you know. I know me go looky man. Then baby mother come beat.
No, she can't beat you. True, we are one of them.
Okay. So me I go get out of it. How much you not pay me?
How much you want?
Me can't feed the
1 million.
No.
One who?
1 million.
He deserve it.
Yeah, if it's true, cause
He deserve it. You want to be too, you want what?
I disrespect you, I try disrespect me. Me nobody do nothing for you,
don't
you
pay no man.
No.
Yes. So me will make you get the money. By month, I make you get the money. Come here, face.
So, me know where I hang out spot.
You always up under the bamboo tree up there, so.
The bamboo tree.
I drink him free rum.
Okay.
Yeah. Up there for ever
And
then.
he's full of tattoo, free tattoo.
Okay.
And he a kill.
And if he in a stock, he in a socks.
Wanna give me no number?
I put it 876. 621
What are we know my number?
3115.
Where your name?
Hello,
Tash,
hey,
yes,
hello.
Tash.
I job me and put up on you know. Take time and talk to the boss.
Shut up, no. Tash, save yours, Tash. Stop here on mine.
Alright then. When me done, me make you know what I want.
Yeah. So you
And
just
listen to
can
me
call
now.
and give you updates on, yeah.
Listen to me now. You see, if me take the man for myself, no father find no fault with it. Cause,
You better take the man for yourself and I get the money.
you better bother say that.
Me, I pay you for the something for me. I got to talk about take man for sale.
When me done do the work, me will make you know. Cause, me I go somewhere, me I go up the road.
By month, I get the money, but take him and you and him get a shallow grave.
Yes,
Hi,
mama.
I done with it I go.
Oh,
Yeah, I lose
yes.
the memory.
But he come to think of it. She looks so sensible. She don't look sensible at all. But me hope he fall feet. And if him and the girl in a nothing, them a go get it too. With the baby mother, the call wife.
Oh, she walks so. No, sir, man. Good. She sure is alright, girl. We pick on our mad girl.
But I'm mad, beat out him backside.
You right, forget it.
Yes, come
Yes.
on.
Where say go by again? So,
I just said it, Papa. You're not glad to see me.
Are you not
You're not glad to see me.
thinking that?
Yeah.
I am man that. A new man. Ah, girl, touch me. You have use. I tell you a long time to live in a dirty foot boy. I had to come and decent man.
Where is it, Monday?
No, you man that.
Where?
Oh, God, sir. Come in, man. Come take a drink. We celebrate. Yeah, man. I mean, like how you come in with it. You see there? Roma and dash, man.
Me da hot me, you know.
Yeah?
Me da hot me, man.
So I Roma cool it down.
I'm gonna never son. I'm gonna bleach out on anyway. There, see.
So you woke up on my friend, yeah?
No, man. I pour me a pass you and see her on anyway.
Let me give you more rum. Yeah, more rum. Drink more rum. We have to celebrate. Yeah, man. You upgrade. You upgrade.
Oi!
Hmm?
Mom, news to tell you.
What kind of news when I get married?
No. You have picnic for mine.
Yeah, man, me have two pitney over there, man. Two.
Me and talk about one we are company with you now.
When there?
See it, you're so in front of me, you know, see a big gut.
Good.
You want me to show you?
Stand up here. I know your man this.
Last time you check a mail, you don't, you know. I don't know about this side.
That was 4 months ago. I
I'm
think.
getting a 4 months now.
Kakafat.
5 months.
And that grew up so quick.
No, all that you know, nothing.
4 months and a couple days.
You have remembrance.
So, what problem?
You need to do some border then, yeah.
Okay. Hold on, what you say? 4 months.
Mm-hmm.
4 months. Good, no problem. Yes, Dr. Foster. Yes. It's me again. No, sir, I'm not drinking no rum today. I'm just on the low level of the water. Yes, sir. You know, I have an ex of mine. Me and I used to associate 4 months ago. I know she's 4 months pregnant. Is the match adding, sir? Possibility 99? Alright. Since as you say 99, make me put on the 1%. You have any pill? Can flush it?
Oh, hang up that. Mr. Hang up it.
Where you hang up my call for?
But nah, that's on the belly, no?
So we are going to do it?
Yeah, we go. Mind it. But nah, that's on the belly.
Man, what? And you come here with man, come drink me rum, and I come tell me about mine picking me? Eh? You know what I pay for me rum then?
So, I rum breed me.
Maybe.
Okay.
Where your name, sir? Where your name?
Albert.
Not a rat! Not a rat, Albert, not a rat!
No, I know Albert, my name. Me remember.
You don't remember your
You
name?
hurt me, man. Somebody played me.
Somebody a play with you in the heart, you.
Yeah.
No, you know, ramp with me rum, sir, man. No ramp with you, yeah? Me and you gonna be bridging. Tell me the truth, I feel woman this.
Boy, can't say no lie, but you know what?
I don't feel woman.
See what put him there.
Papai.
See what put him there.
Papai.
I was on the place.
Oi, papai.
Huh?
The last time I check, you know, I made it down in a bed what year, you know.
What do you hear?
I what year, 4 months ago. Yeah,
4 months ago. What do you hear? The man still not add.
It's if I need one thing, I give you one conk out of the turbo.
I feel like me drink too much, but one hour no want escalate.
I'm telling you what, escalate.
Yeah.
You would.
Albert, sir. Albert?
No, Albert, my name.
Where name?
Roger.
Oh?
Roger.
Yeah. Your time up. You see, yes, sir. I'm me alone by this. You hear?
I don't want to turbo back. I mean, I'll drink.
So, you see, when I tell you now,
Yeah.
take your woman. I don't go on, sir.
Oh, I'm telling you.
Me not maintain nobody picking it. Right? Me not ready to be a father again.
Police, I'll come here then. But when you're afraid of police, you know, don't I'm dial 911, you know. So either you got to take it, or you got to mind it, or you got to do whatever you want to do with it.
Pinky, I can ask you a question.
Bye-bye.
Huh? You ever see one fire blaze, right? I know smoke now come out of it yet. Huh? He make shot when me having on my pants. Stop fire long time. Up here blank I come out now. Pow.
When you blank them, pow, breed me.
Me go a doctor, you know. And me cut my seed balls and take out that thing we match with the eggs them in our body. So you can't trick eye. So if I this a man up.
Alright.
Wait, let me come to my senses, you know. So you want tell me say? You not no class, girl. You really not no class.
Me get
Oh my God, I'm ready now.
Backside!
Yeah.
Take on one! To the left.
Hello.
What?
Come and give 50 grand. You can't come back.
You got what you can do?
What?
Penny.
On 200 pounds, me want 2 mil. And up them next to me want. Me not moving until me get the money.
You see, sometimes you see some other girl nowadays. When you not qualify for $100, somebody are going to 50 grand. You not refuse. You not fool your fart.
You see?
You think if one woman come and offer me $2, me not take it?
You know what me come
Because me careless. Me dey a drink. Me no deserve it. Blacks. So your name? What's your name? Blacks or Albert?
No, Lodges.
Logis. You hear them name there? Them name their big name. Logis. Logis. Listen good.
Hello.
Go on with him.
Long chatting. Just know say me I come back later for my money.
Yeah, man. Do this to me, boss. You see if down there dead, face it.
Don't feel boring, man.
You boring?
I know that. Don't feel boring.
Okay. Yeah, man.
You know nobody will cry for.
Yeah, you.
When I cry for me, I cry for you. You know what I'm saying?
No, you not cry for me. God already a ball for me. Jesus Christ. You top drink rum. That the girl did a lay down with her. Me swear, me see a dirty foot, man, you know. She had no. Jesus. Yeah, me top drink rum.
Boy! The heat, boy! And Red Bull. And they see me heart full. I'm drinking rum. And Red Bull.
Good evening.
Good evening. First, me I say, you know.
Well, I dreamed by you last night. God sent me to you. Say you me for there with.
Jimbo, this a boy.
Yeah,
And God say, me you for there with.
yeah.
You sure? God has, no, touch me. You sure God has see good?
I got me a talk about
You
it.
sure God has see good?
Yes.
You sure God tell you for there with me?
It's a nice.
But me tell you something, right? My girl, have you hot. Have you hot. Hot like drops. Lava. No, you not love. My girl, have hot like lava. Look, we are in a tamado. My girl, have in a ponytail. Brazilian ear. Them look something there.
You can't do that for me.
Eh?
You start there.
Well, yes, me can take care of you. Cause if I say God send for me, I best thing that.
That more ear.
So, which part you come from?
You know, some come from Peru, though.
Up the road.
Yeah.
You know, say, me tell you the truth. I want you know, me live in a district, you know, me never see you yet. I tell lie. Last night I move come in a district.
Yes, me moved last night. Come down here. Up the road, me there stay.
360 for me, now turn around. Shake. I'm not sitting there shake. Like, at work. Jesus Christ. More you go along the but you know, but it could have grow a little bit. But what am I for? Yeah, you touch girl. Style.
Yeah,
Them sitting there for one girl. Girl, we war wrestle pan bridge. We do them sitting them. Mama.
Take them off. You think them, man?
Dash them way. Dash them way, man.
You can't tell me where you live.
Eh?
Can't tell me where you live.
You want to know me live too fast, but me keep up on me that I want something. You give me something?
Nothing wrong.
Right away.
God send me to you.
Right away.
Yeah.
Yeah, heads. Yeah, gonorrhea.
Look, Palm good. Me have ears are gonna area.
The pretty, you said that girl them. And them carry sickness.
But you say my uncle look well. So.
Eh, you know ugly. You just hard flip on the one way, but you're afraid that spoil the beautiness.
You know for that, you want me now.
Well, me not gonna say me don't want you, and me not gonna say me want you. Cause you can wash, cook and clean.
Me can wash, cook, clean, everything where you want.
You can read and write.
Me can read everything.
You're not that expensive.
No.
You wear one buck two slippers. You know them buck two slippers there?
Long as I'm here, they may do anything.
Okay. So, up there some live, man.
So come on, go for here.
Come on, nothing wrong. So, you know, you can hug me up too. I feel like somebody. Jesus Christ, baby. I breast up with them pint that you cut yourself smear.
So come on.
Whoa. No more I won't buy yourself. I want to get treat like you know. Oh.
Shut! Are you frightening me, man?
You should have drop.
You're frightening me. Oh, God. You're frightening.
Popeye, today Thursday morning, Jaja, and there's so much illegal thing you do already. What this you look for?
Yeah.
You know, remember about your picnic them at home, but you remember some move from though.
Come here, friend, and I wonder where God or whatever. Come in, know me, have look. Love it, smell of rum.
So hold on, you love the smell of rum. And you got through how much hinty, 19s, water rum. How much money you leave me niece them? How much money you leave me niece them? Cause they look like say every day them a come yam out my food.
No, listen, my sister. I tell to eat your food, right? You are my blood sister. We technically have the same mother, right? So nothing wrong with that, right? I'm just a father, right? And without no mother, which father gonna stand up in their child life, right? Without
Turn up which part? Turn up which part? You can't even turn up and piss. Other day me clean out the other day and me have to come clean out your bathroom. Bare piss all over the place, except in the bowl.
I feel me bathroom, so I'm afraid to piss
So
in
come
any
here me
corner.
clean up your bathroom then. You not shame, Papa?
Shame or what? What? Shame or what? Tell me. What me should I
Papa,
shame?
you have two beautiful, God bless baby them.
Who tells them beautiful?
Don't let me hear that come out. Don't let me hear that come out your mouth again. You know how much people can't have picnic and God give you two, not one but two beautiful, beautiful angels. It's a miracle so them not gone astray already.
Oh, talking about angel. Women need a long time I don't see my niece. You hiding
You
my...
can't see straight. How much finger me a hold up?
Huh?
How much finger me a hold up? Eh? How much finger me a hold up? Right you know. Me just a hold it up and all now you can't tell me. You can't see nothing.
Nah, I see nothing. Then just you can't count so. What other that me I talk about? You have to know what you have said to me. Right? Me as your little brother. You're supposed to respect me and tell me, say,
Hello.
woo! 360, 360. I mean, I come to?
Yeah.
360. Jesus, why? Everybody wants something. When they don't run my money. You want? All right. You say 50. I'm going to give you, how much is this? So you owe me 50 next time here? You owe me 50. You say beg.
Alright, anyway.
Ask the shoppy, me shell out the shop so you can owe me. You know what my day here and what my night. Me shell it down. What you say?
I'm coming to you for talk about something. You can talk us, huh?
Sure! Me a big man. You talk anyway. Me don't look
Hi,
for
my
boy.
girl. We catch that with my batty, not yours.
Sit down. Sit down.
Thank you. It's just a
Yeah.
gentleman.
Yeah, man. Sit down.
Anyways, the money me ask you for.
You want me to take the money now too?
No.
So you say piece of money.
You know Jamaican talk when I get money, I just
Well, Jamaica must have sense now. Bigger money, nothing more than piece of money. You want the money.
Yes, I want the money.
Where you want the money for you?
Buy you some grocery or something.
So young girl if you have ambition. So young girl if you have ambition, right? I like that. Oh, you single?
Yeah, me single.
You how much?
19.
I like that. I like that, yes. I like, you drink?
Yeah.
You want drink? Drink first before me give you money.
Yeah, so hold on. You're going to get this little picnic money? And you have two. Hey, my girl. You have two daughters.
How that with me?
That is your age. And you look big man.
Nothing wrong.
You for right. What is your size?
Rum, make it ice.
Yeah.
Rum. Drink rum, here?
Oh, what is this? Hi. Before you take out no money, give she girl. Look after your picnic.
No.
You see the next money that come out of your pocket, I come in my hand for your daughter them. Me no business where you want, what bicycle you want to ride, you know. I want a tricycle you want to ride. That's a for your business.
Oh, you
but no, say, she's your picnic and age.
You want to ride him too?
Hey, girl, know yourself and my brother. Me and my family around black for you.
Listen, you want to ride him.
You know me? You know me?
You not know me.
Little girl, keep your mouth and drink your milk and shut your mouth and come out a big people argument. You're right, big horse, but you're not big jockey.
Sis, you fly palm plane, right? I don't fly palm plane. You come on board for me each time you fly. Cause normally me think say,
You know how much time me offer you?
me think say, road up in the sky now. I think road was up there. Right? I think gas station was up there. I asked if you wind down the wind up there and laugh off of me. So the wind that cannot wind
You
down.
give me money.
Yes, touch me again. Oh God, they feel good.
Yes, man, pull out the money.
They feel good.
Pull out the money, make me see.
They feel good. Cheers. Cheers to happiness. Cheers to bad mindedness.
Pull out the money. Don't touch my cup, man. I know what you have in it.
You're bad minded.
Pull out the money.
To the young girl.
Pull
look
out
good.
the money, give the girl.
Hot.
Pull out the money, give the kindergarten. Wanna?
How you the call, girl?
You must take my friends. Me have money. My name Papa, yeah? I am the
Papa
dad
the
around here.
clown. Rudolph Rodney there in
If anything you want, I can give it. You see all this shop? If you want it tomorrow, I can give it to you. Okay. If you want the world, we can lift up everybody off it and give it.
Oh.
And I alone never in that early.
Me realize something, Papa. Thank you. Me realize something. That's why you have to go with picnic. Cause only them fool to listen to the words that come out of your mouth. That's why you can't go with big woman. You understand now? Roll out the money.
Oh, that's why me can't do it big one.
No, because them too
That's
intelligent
why
for you.
you don't have your husband now. Because your husband breed you. Left you with one little beautiful daughter you got. I'm gone with the next young thing.
What's more for the money?
A young thing run the world. Young thing run.
Hey, brother.
All right.
Now, don't let me business out the street, you know. Drunk or no drunk, you know. I'll shut your back, me to piss up yourself in front of your picnic, you know.
Me so piss. Me no.
No, you do, you know.
Me no want piss up sister.
No, you don't. You
embarrassing.
load up for your business, load up for your business.
Yeah.
You want to act like an idiot and a jackass, do that. You see, for me and my business, you keep your mouth.
Yeah,
especially in front of the kindergarten.
Yeah, embarrass me.
Right, roll out the money now, let me see.
Alright. So, what you say about grocery? Alright. I like when young girl have ambition. I say if you have ambition, yeah? Correct. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This don't really can buy no that supermarket because everything I raise. Government and mash up Jamaica badly, you know, man. It's like 2 buckler in rum here. But not wrong. You deserve it.
Yeah, me will box you down for me needs them money. Me will box you down for. Hey, girl, me run for me needs them money, you know. And me needs them money that.
Jesus.
Hey, and me needs money that. Me run with me, girl. Run with me. Now make me kick in your face, girl. You don't have no clothes or try thief mine. Hey, girl, leg off for me. That's it, girl. That's it, girl. That's it, girl. No, brother, I'm right, you know. You don't know me, who you know, that's it, girl. For me, hey, for me, this step. Where the rum there? Deal with that.
Make on to.
Oh God, you're safe. You're safe. Yes. Oh God. Don't chase her. Stop it! Stop it! Chase her!
Where you walking a smile for? I don't want it.
What you
Take
mean?
the hug. You
I
blast
don't
me.
want it. I'm his first I get.
Come here.
Let me get no. Let me a fight, you know.
Time to hug.
Yeah.
For look red kitten pitney, we're going like him.
How are you?
Yeah.
No,
Randy,
Will.
Randy. You look like you now watch for your face. Amen.
No, Will.
So
Tell
yeah,
me now,
yeah, so yeah,
Papa shop.
so just say now gonna anyways.
Are your father shot this?
The twanging business, we can't bother with that. So
Girl. I understand where you talk. Yeah.
me no understand.
Me tell you.
What do you mean by you don't
Yeah,
understand?
translator.
Yes.
Say I.
Hi.
I.
Hi.
Never say hi. Me say hi.
I'm record Auntie Pit. Let me show.
Anyways, how far yard we are come?
We hungry.
Really?
Yeah, we are come for
You
some
guys gonna
food.
make some of that more sweet juice for me?
Yes,
Can we
so
go
we make
get
enough.
some? We go get some like when you.
Can I have like a whole lot, like the water bottles that?
Yeah,
I can have all of it.
Yes. No, me not get so much. Come on, want your mother out. I'm
What you-
gonna give you weed.
What's weird?
So
Go
like
explain it
bush.
to you, yeah.
Bush? What's
Your
bush?
bunny now and
Weed.
paper sitting.
What's
It's
the
like,
It make you fly. You know what fly?
Yeah, I wanna
Yes.
fly. I wanna have wings and fly.
yeah, you can go
go
up on the
on.
roof and jump off.
Yeah.
You can
Sure.
fly high like a plane in the sky.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my god, I want to do that.
Yeah, we're gonna teach you for whole a man too.
That auntie do. You never see
Mommy
auntie
do that?
I thought you to go
Oh.
foreigner, so you're born a foreigner and come back, she fly.
She fly?
Fly, 2 wings and fly.
Oh my god, so I
That
have
would-
wings as well?
Yes.
And that's it that make him fly go abroad.
Wings.
When we go give. Mm-hmm.
Can I have a lot? Like a lot?
You eat for morning?
Mm-hmm.
Surely.
Anyways, how we are go for yard? I will go teach you how to keep man.
Huh?
How to hold a man. You have virgins, you don't know nothing about
What's
man.
the virgin?
Let me explain. Let me talk now.
Did have to come in front of me?
Turn over this one. Sarah, so we're gonna teach you about man. Okay? So
You're gonna teach me about what?
Man. M-A-N, man.
you know
Man.
penis, you know vagina?
Mm-mm.
So what you have underneath your foot in a vagina?
No, mommy said it's my private part.
A vagina.
A vagina.
Pum pum.
No.
We got yes, alright. You see? Man nice.
Huh?
Man nice. Nice like cook food nice.
Really?
Yeah.
It tastes like the sweet something.
No, you're not gonna taste the man. Jesus Christ, man.
Girl, you don't taste man.
So, what am I supposed to do?
I could be a teacher.
Listen, it's when you have man,
Mm-hmm.
your vagina, man
What's a
insert into
vagina?
your backside with a private part. Cha! Man insert.
Oh God, that make a girl nervous. Don't shake her hair. My director says she can't beat you. May I tell you, say, we're going to teach you how to have man, how to keep man. You see, like, how to you something lock up so you can keep a man, like how,
What?
Like how what?
nothing. Like, you see
I
me?
drive this.
Don't play with me. Anyways,
Mommy said I shouldn't stand up in
You know what? Me done with the chat-chattings with you. Me hungry.
I'm going to teach you to tell man. You see?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to make you meet one man.
Come on the next time. I'm tired of you. Come over here, son. Come back in at the meeting. Come. I drop my sister. I drop me. I make a joke. I drop me. I make a joke. Me. I make you know me love you.
Mm-hmm.
Over there, son, man. Go over there, son, no.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
you see, man.
Pull up me ear.
Man, a life and salvation. Hear the song say, me love man,
Yeah.
man.
Mommy
Let me
said,
tell you this, me not make you be a whore.
what's a whore?
A whore is when a girl have a lot of man.
And
But you told me that males are sweet and I should.
listen, man, I tell you that.
Me tell you. You see the man here?
Mm-hmm.
You have to have a head by your body.
My head is on my body.
No, me no mean that.
No mean
man.
so, street
It's like
smart.
a fool. Man, we take a for idiot.
What's
Man,
fool?
Jesus, mercy, me don't teach. Me give up. Keep your head by your body. Street smart, not only book smart. Have your head, keep it by your body, and not fling your road when you're there road.
How am I gonna take up my head and fling it right there?
Jesus, deal with that, deal with that, deal with that, deal with that.
flingy.
It's still on my head.
It's not the head. So it can't come off your body then. Jesus Christ. Me, I tell you, say, me gonna teach you how to take man. Man!
Alright, yeah, they are
Tell you, say,
I am a man approaching you.
no, me try.
Okay, go on. Come.
Hey, girl, I can't kill your teeth, so Serious.
Lock up your, you know, it's when I smile too much. You're easy, man, get for up in a like,
Mommy.
make it hard to open and easy to lock.
No, mommy said I should always be smiling.
No, smile.
You know.
Mm-hmm.
Serious.
Yeah.
What she said? Girl, I can't smile and go see an idiot.
Serious.
Mommy said I should smile.
No,
and
tell
I'm
your mother
greeting
about keep
people.
smiling, man. You take away, girl, you go grape you.
Alright, you have to smile. Smile cute. Ready again?
Okay.
Alright. I look nice, girl. I pray.
Huh?
Oh. Hi, good evening. I have smile, so I can't do smile, but anyway, she can't get a number. Idiot, man.
Hey,
It's
come.
easy to get your man.
Mommy said I should always be smiling.
You ever say no?
Man,
Where want me number for me know ya? Yeah, say. What that?
Let me tell you this. You stand up on the road.
Mm-hmm.
Don't smile, be serious.
You said man say smash.
Yeah!
No, serious.
Serious. Yeah! Alright, we're gonna come now. Ready, do it. I pray me gangster friend. Good. Where you come from?
My mom.
You're dumb. Samu.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Head at me.
We give
Come.
up.
We gonna go eat food.
Yeah. You're hungry.
You make me hungry, man. Mm-mm.
Why?
Wait. Man, you see that with daddy there. You know see daddy? Oh.
Oh yes, I saw uncle.
Where?
There.
And he gave me money to buy things for myself, and I bought with it.
Where you buy?
No,
He-
check if I'm ears there's I'm
he-
ears.
Where you buy?
He gave me money to go down and get some fast
Wait,
food.
how much money?
About, I think, 100 US.
Alaya tell her.
100 who?
Alaya tell Achu.
See, my father give you 100 US dollar.
Yeah, he said,
15,000 Jamaican dollar.
he said I'm his favorite niece.
Hey, we have never got the 15,000. Come, Hush. Come.
No, Achu you tell. Achu.
This is serious. Don't make me dry you go up at the yard.
Come on, I want panty for eat. I want panty for yam.
Nothing.
What you mean that it?
Not even mackerel.
Mommy sent the 5 barrels to our aunties and our uncles. There's nothing.
Which part
to
they
eat.
are? They there so?
No, one is in, I think.
So I say eat. Hey girl. I say eat.
Where you eat?
Call cereal.
Cereal, come give me
So cereal up there all last.
Finish.
Oh, you mean it finish? So we never You nerd?
Hey girl, tap be like on they must sit at top where pan road. You don't in your bed. Hey here. If you act like we, don't be a nerd pan the road. Hey here. Alright, we go get something for
Come.
I'm want some answer here too. Like I'm
Now food up there for
I
me.
tell you. Come on. But tell me that I'm hungry.
Oh, see me here. Yes, I come back to this. See me here.
Oh, God. Yeah.
Yeah, hey. Who give that to him? I'm sad about him pamper. Hey. Anyways, me not laugh. The pocket me want laugh food now. Come on, man.
Pocket can't laugh.
Hello. Yesterday I said come to the money today. And I see that no more and the money are whopping. Hello, don't touch me now.
Huh?
Don't touch me. I just love me tell someone 120 for the rest of the belly. You never give me it. No, come on, sir. You don't take too long.
Oh, you know again.
What name?
Huh?
So fuck every morning. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
When I play that game, then I'm just like, where would one already, you know?
And the money me come though. The money. Then cup that's 60. Apart you run have you ever call me? You're outside of bad. You're bright.
No, where's the cup? No, fully. No, where's the cup, man? No, where's the cup?
You're drinking now if you know it's 2 cup. The way you stingy, give me the cup. See, over here a party. And you don't invite me, the queen.
Come for the table.
Come back with table.
Your boss are quickie.
Which quickie?
Come right, sir.
Let me quickie in your face. Me let's tell you the morning me come here tell me about quickie.
Yeah.
You see, 120, that will come, but come on, sir, man, you know what I'm gonna touch you with me now. Come on, sir, at this, what's it done? You want to replace?
Pinky too. Let me tell you this.
Who they call Pinky too? Who they think you want? Me the only Pinky who that's in your head.
I mistake. Look at me wrong waist, man.
Even have no trace of a drink with the something.
Yeah.
Even better want this, you know. Come now the money, because I'm late, that's something me I go. Mama tell us I have a 2 better than for that way, and a 2 fast to that, because I tell us if you hug me up one more time, I want next baby that they come. So you hug me up one time, 120, then you hug me up next time, 2 up, 240, 2 belly for that way, come on because the time is going.
2 belly?
2 belly.
So?
Me tell you, say man, when I tell me, say, 3 belly, and you hug me up again?
No, wait, other one there. No, you said 2 belly. Which part the other one?
2 belly in my belly. Come and tell you, say anytime you hug me is a baby born. Me not tell you that. Come on, sir, man. Listen, come on. You know your work, Chris. You're very, 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 very careless.
Yeah, everybody tell me that. Everybody tell me careless. But guess what? I don't care.
One thing for your junkies, man, you ever secure your pockets.
Yeah. Let me secure my cheddar there.
Oh, a cheese. Come now, man. Why you ever make me come on yesterday argue with you? No answer nobody call and me there chat to you. What you feel like? I tell you, I'm so moving up to your house and come cock 10. Listen. It's when I say I come on here too. I don't want this money have to run. Come here with black man.
Come on.
Hello.
Come on, cut it.
Get up. And the money with the chat about. Don't touch me.
Why you never cut it for me, man? Listen.
Why you never cock up the money in my hand?
You're too late.
Who too late?
My sister just robbed me 8,000.
I know you tell. You have to be kidding. You're sick. You're mad.
I swear.
You're after mad.
She come here with 3 guns.
Then I'm not. She could come here with 6. That I'm not for do with
She robbed me.
And my money will come, but listen up, sir. Listen up, dusty man.
Why you always want money from me? And every time I want the front.
What's front?
Is that in a period? Are your belly hurt you?
Yeah.
Are you running a belly?
Yeah. I'm out diarrhea.
Why me?
Why you?
Why every woman?
Why every time I come for the money, you ever have excuse? Why? Why me?
Because I realize I use your brain pan.
That when I use my brain, darling, I'm using my mind. Let's go. Run the cash.
Yeah, me I go make a deal, right?
When I make no deal, the money me come by, you come and say what I'm gonna chat. Excuse come on to do.
Alright, me I go make a deal. Me squeeze pieces before the shop open.
Me look like a careless girl. Squeeze piece for all. You mad?
You know pieces?
Listen, sir. More you know this in a year. Thick skull up your so. And I know more want. And money more want. You hear? So if you have said this a little change checks, as me tell you 30. Can't go anywhere near right here top. Me saw the money me come bout. I am breathing and I need to go to the doctors because I need to lose the belly. Me not, you know, that summertime they come. When I walk up on them with notes will be able to go.
The cheese chick give me 2 big bounty girl right now to start get money.
You could have bounty. Any kind of belly could have that free with me. Your kill is picking to them. You unwanted children. You see, you never unwanted.
Alright, at this you want this, love. Put on your rope. At this you want this thing. Chuck load that man.
Swing it. You forgot some bad man with their weird. You're mad. Listen, I'm come best of you now. Me here say, you don't run to the issue if you touch me and bust it.
No.
Me here run to the issue of money to girl. Let me tell you this, sir. You see anytime you see me come on so, money for what? Money for what? Money for what? What money for do?
Huh?
What money for do? Money for run.
Government for free money.
Money for run. What for do?
Government for free money.
Say money for run. And let me drop it. Money for what? Money for what? What money for do?
Run.
Money for do what?
Run
the money?
Papa, if you run the money.
Me I get till 5 o'clock. They say, I'm a jack, a bus in the head. You say, me come out at 5 o'clock. 350 one. And that's what because I tell her 120 I go on my thing. Money for what?
350.
Money for what?
Run, Papa. If you run the money to Pinky.
Oh, don't put me boy.
Yeah.
It's like a pampers thing this.
And the arm.
This is going home with me. Now keep part with me, man. Come out of my way, sorry.
Come here.
Me never pay at the cheap from. I got water in there. Long as me, all the thing I have to tell you. Make sure I come around and saw 350. And let the dust dead. Eat that boy.
You bring go back big. Where? Too much mileage for your clot. Right. Hold on for my sweet rum. My right overproof rum. I love you. Nobody not gonna take you away from me. Yes. Love you.
Idiot, walk so idiot, you fool. Walk sensible. Girl, like a mad girl, walk sensible. Walk, not straight, you have your teeth. Yeah, idiot. Walk straight. Put your hand on your thigh. Walk straight. Look at me. Look at me now. Look at me. How much finger this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Girl, look at me. Yes. See me here. Act sensible, normal. Normal free, not real life. Normal. Straight. And be like a soldier. Yes. Come on, walk. Yeah.
But how are the bomber? How are this I say?
Hi, mommy.
Many back bumps they don't come.
So nobody no evening no more. I'm here the big person and me but I say it.
Sorry. Auntie, oh God, man, oh God. Auntie, you're not giving a hug.
No, because me want to know how go on yourself. How Angel looks so.
Angel, how you look so straight? Miss Auntie, me go up a yard for some food. How me see him pull up on the veranda, so? Prado, Mr. Wadio. You drink out and drunk and you think a water in there. Me say, turn up right, you so.
Angel! A junkie junk. Come here. Come here, if you come here, so. Open your mouth and me breathe. But I'm here a drink and you a drink. Girl, move your hand from me the drink. Kaka. Come back here, so.
Say moo! Say moo!
And you are eat that too. Eh? You see your cousin drunk and you encourage it?
Stand up straight.
Oh, the backside. Me now run you down, you know.
Stand up.
Me now run you down.
You can make a flyer.
So where who give you alcohol again? Cause me lock up the alcohol in my cupboard and I me at the key. So where you get alcohol?
Where?
You look at me, John?
Nice. What? I'm saying I'm gonna give you something nice.
No, sir. What kind of something nice you gonna get, Angel?
Them super Monday.
What? Man, grab the glasses, auntie. I'm clean is good. Why boy tell you it too? Got a fancy life, I'm gonna tell you about
I wanna give me
Angel, my baby, come here.
Yes,
Where you just come out? Where you just say, my baby? Where the what there? Where the what? Where no, baby, you're not in trouble. What you just say? Because you know, say me old and me can't hear properly. Me take this from your uncle. So me want to make sure so me hear properly and good. What you just ask them for?
Then tell me say them are gonna make somebody hack my vehicle. And me say, alright.
What kind of vehicle?
Them
Visa?
say, them are gonna give me something sweeter than the something you get to eat.
And what is that, my baby?
Them say one cucumber.
Okay.
What? What is that?
Who tell you that?
Like cucumber for eat. Yeah, me listen to get cucumber. Them who?
Them give me something sweet, man.
But you know, say them a girl, baby.
Call name.
know.
So hold on, baby. Hold on. You know, sister, them a girl child. So how you gonna get cucumber from girl child?
Cucumber?
Mm-hmm.
And tell me, say, them a go teach me. And them teach me patois, that's why me a talk like this. Them say them not understand my language.
Girl, me tell us if you keep on talking, cause me like me
it.
tell us if me not understand
Mommy,
language. Don't tell me about the cucumber business.
Mommy, look here. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see them two bitches there? And them give me rum.
Michael, how you call bitch?
Mommy, let me tell you something else. Move and go so, girl. Mommy.
No, me want to hear about the bitches them. Come. Go on.
Them teach me the word bitches.
Mm-hmm. And what that mean?
I don't know. Them say anytime somebody and me a par, me for say, when me see my friend them enough is smart, me for go so. And me go so now, me for say.
No, we tell us when I say man, I don't do that.
Oh yeah,
Smile with man.
Go so, me go so.
Grape you.
And me fi give them my number and act hard
You left there no fool.
Oh, no, come here, my niece. Come here. Come here, my nieces. Come in at the middle. So, on a broken on my drinks cabinet. Alright, the first time, I'm me wrong. Cause me think say me have responsible daughter and responsible nieces. So when me send you up in my yard for yam, me never expect enough to drink. So, me lock it up this time. So answer me this. Me have the key to my drinks cupboard. So how wanna get in it?
She tell me.
Tell you what?
Say, mommy have rum.
Mm-hmm. But how wanna get in my cupboard?
She going there,
Mommy, look. Mommy, remember you tell me,
have
say,
two
me
layers
not
of
fi drink some
stabilize
water
and have
them
to
because I fi make you look little younger. And me say, alright. And them use mommy go up there looking for glass, no shatter up there. Them go so
they broke into my drinks cabinet.
Auntie.
Can no matter which
Auntie Cameron up.
BBC where it go, from me have the key and it lock, and you go in there go drink on a broken. So I two teeth in this smell. I two teeth in this smell. Get your backside here now.
Yeah, mommy,
Get your backside here now. Come now, run.
Yeah, that you tell me, say, when the mama lick you, lick him.
So hold on.
Me tell you that, now you broke it.
Hold on, look how me pick me. I see you broke it. Hold on, pick me.
Hold on, let me tell you.
Oh no, let me have something for now. Get on the backside, yes, sir. And come pick up my broke glasses. Not you. One of you come pick up my broken glasses now. Because you see how me a sweat? You see how my pressure go up? Make me rise it little more. My glasses still there, dirty?
Have you broke you one glass?
My glasses still there, dirty?
I love rude. Yeah, holy smelly job.
Let me see something. Me see your father down at the bar. You see me a drink. I chew this on my money, you know. And you put her money in my teeth from him. I'm a gig girl. But you see, before me give you this as the older one, Tash and Moody, come here. Me gonna deal with you later. Come here out and tell up there.
Remember you said what? Me come mama chat to you know we have to stand up and beat her.
You alone beat
Beto!
You can't beat Auntie that me I tell you.
Tapping in the
Why on the field say?
Them say they
open my house
to
no.
up there.
Me open my house too no. Me see some my brother what this. I mean I try turn him round because him have no. Right? Me I'll go beat up girl for no. Tappy. Me I'll beat up girl for no for take this little piece of change. So I can't eat. And then welcome up in my house anytime. I true me tell you the same can't live there on the decide to take it up and take revenge from my daughter.
I don't jeez. Auntie.
If some people junk, they talk with them on their mind. Me never give a daughter. She go in her room and take up one button and broke the glass and she push fear and in there. She go and get crazy.
Alright, she tell you stress her out. Can you just lock her up in
So
a
where the
house
man
like a
come in at
princess?
this?
Eh?
Where the man come in at this?
She watch it on phone. Yes. Tell her
Look
man
what history.
Mommy,
I
I
Google
got
history.
parental control for my phone, mommy. Them show me something, mommy.
What is what you do with phone?
You see my daughter? On a don't have nothing to do with me picnic again. Here, take your money off your papa money and make sure it lasts, yeah? Cause then I have nothing to do with me picnic again. When I broke her out bad. Angel. You see, all these years, you papa na there, and I'm me and you at batter and I go along in the world. Me not tell you, sir, me want better for you than what me got through.
Them tell me, so them a teach me right here, and them say you tell them to support me because me too soft.
And you believe them. Get down, fool! Get your backside back here for now! Angel! Get your backside back here, so me done with you? Me no response to them, me no. That's why me give them papa money. Them beat up girl for. And take for them. I'm gonna tell you something. You see, from today name day, them and my niece and me love them. But it look like say them a go down the same road as them deadbeat papa. I'm a brother, and then say finger think he can't dash away, but me no know me close. Angel, now make me dash away, you know. Me never dash away in my belly, but me will dash away now. Angel, me try too hard with you. Eh? You look upon me as big woman and I swear bad word in front of me, like say me not there.
Mommy and them tell me if you do it.
So then tell you if you jump off a bridge, you gonna do it too. Yeah, damn fool! Come out to me side, little girl. If I ever bust your backside today. How are this? No, sir. I'll make me lose my shoe.
Fire! Fire! What I say? What I say?
No man, we just did that test.
Huh?
We just did that test rum.
I'm not trying to rob me.
No sir, we just did that test.
This is my woman, you know.
She asked me, can I get some to drink?
Huh?
Me can I get some?
If you want to rob me, beg me. Put a chai tea from me.
I test you want to know if I water or a real rum in it.
I want to test my rum. My rum strong. 63% alcohol.
We just did
Right?
that test.
How much are you turn up yourself?
One of me.
We 3 or 4 hours me look at right now. You sure?
And one of me.
You pregnant? You pregnant? You sure?
I be a fat, I'm fat.
How fat?
And it's systematic.
Oh, me
I'm be a
like.
fat.
Me like it thick and stuff. Yeah, you hold me.
I'm 26.
Me like you old man, because you old man them, they know love. Right? The young girl them only know money. You know money?
So, me not somebody, me no must know money.
You know money?
Mm-hmm.
No make sense to carry one then. You have to know money.
Me don't really love you like that though.
Okay, good. What's your name?
Tiana.
I have to wash out my mouth before we talk to you. No, 'cause I was sleeping. Anyway, you single?
Yeah, me single.
You know what I mean? Like how you try to teach you, I could have locked you up, you know?
Well, me single, I'm ready for mingle.
No, me know you know the mingle business. If you mingle come with the big A. I mean, I don't want that.
Well, yeah, me single.
Okay, come me single too, you know. I just don't run me up. My baby, this is the rest of my life, you know.
You sure you're single?
Yes!
You're not single at all.
No, me just single man with money. And a big concrete house with AC can fill up under your front. Cool you down. You hear when Spice said, cool it down. Yeah. That
You
is
know
my
them man
house.
stay, you know, we say they have big house when we go there, they have a board house.
Who's it, sir?
Lot of man.
That's a damn! How? Me tell you a license to come here.
Me don't know.
You favor somebody when we see on social media. You know me my name, he always power with Menke. You know the big woman, the thick woman, the rate her
Well,
now.
people look alike nowadays.
Yeah, you favor, but
we are say you want me.
yes, you can cook.
Of course.
But you can cook.
When they come and go in your yard, you will know when we can cook.
No. What type of season do you use cook?
Hard purpose, chicken season. If me I cook fish, me use fish season.
No, I use one season at yard. Chicken. Maggie
Me
chicken
just call it
season.
a while ago.
Listen, yeah, you call our purpose. I don't use it. I use one thing.
Well, me use where you use.
Maggie chicken season right. Whether curry shrimp, curry crab, curry fish, curry chicken. Whether even brown stew.
Well, any season you use, me use, baby.
Like you. Your breast them look juicy.
You look like a somebody with me like to me like your vibes.
Hey!
Me like your vibes. Because you are romid and me are romid too. So we live.
No, this is the thing. My woman of love rum, cause my rum is for myself. You know, the
You
beauty.
can buy my own rum, you know. I don't need your rum.
Oh, you can buy rum. So, you can dance?
Not really. But
No.
I can do one and two.
Alright, give me a one chop.
You mean give her one job?
Like this. Every girl feel give her one jab. One jab. One jab. Shake it to the
Me
back.
show you that in our bedroom.
Huh?
Me show you that in our bedroom.
In our bedroom? Turn on. Give me a 360. Alright, give me a 500. Give me a 500 now.
See there. We can't do it here.
How you know what is a 500?
Woman, of course.
Oh God. Yeah. I'm a build that, you know. I'm building the expert there.
But well, you see, before me going,
Take a shot.
I would like to take your
I
number.
want to jump. Take a shot. 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 Yes.
So I chase on it.
No man. Me want a quickie. Me want sample it before me carry home. Take a shot. Me you go on the back. We take a quickie. Shop your bathroom on there. You hold on pan the shop the hand wash.
Voila. Me think you move fast. What I mean by take a cookie?
How you expect? You want me to carry home bad goods? When you go to the supermarket, you know, fill up the bread and check the price. Eh? You have to check everything before you bring it home. You don't want to bring home bad goods.
You see, because me like
There's the egg. When me buy it in a supermarket, me use the phone flashlight and me shine up on knife to see if the egg is good.
You see, because me like you. You
I
think me
trying to
supposed
teach me that.
you right now.
You know, ah! Mm-hmm. Ready?
Not yet, so. The bathroom.
Your bathroom. What? Can I lift you up?
You can manage me? Can you manage?
Let me try. Make a man. Hey! A Hercules, they call me.
Alright, try. Try, make me see. Hold on. Alright, you know what? I'm going to take your number. And maybe we can link up one next time.
Yeah. Yes.
So give me a number. You have a phone?
Yeah.
Give me a number.
Yeah, my iPhone.
Yeah, give me a number.
347
347
94
94
70.
70.
Yeah.
Name?
Popeye.
Okay, Papa.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
I really like your vibes. I hope I see you going in the bedroom too.
Yeah. Me only hope me not lift you up in the bedroom still. Yeah.
Well, alright. Me I go cut right now, guys.
Yeah,
I
call.
things to do.
I'll call you later. I see the location.
No, me I go call you. So how you fi call me again? Me I go call you so you can get my number.
Yes, don't see the location. Alright.
Alright, later.
Go on, yeah? Go on.
Hope
Take
you can-
care.
Me just hope you can manage me in the bedroom. Me
Come
no-
on. Uncle is the name.
Alright.
Jesus! Oh God!
Girl, like bombard. Girl, my say little rum still in me.
Yo, Angel, lie. In touch on sit them, I don't know where they come from.
Can't
Like,
believe
interpret
it's
in my
come back.
long time.
Yeah,
Girl,
what
can't
would
believe.
him? Carol's papa really pilled me. Just give me here, give me King sister take it from me. I come
Hi.
over, I come go.
Hi. Hello.
Look like your teeth, papa is short. Come here. My father short, cause look like I can feel him.
I'm my father, me call Papa,
I'm
yes,
here,
Papa. Me not nobody else.
oh no, sir.
Papa, my father, Papa, me just call him.
Obviously, me never start with me the attack. Okay. Start this magazine thing. In the spend money pan. No say magazine thing.
Miss Tinkerbell.
I'm his woman, so that means say. That means what time me talking. That means say me on a stepmother and I mean into other things
Stepmother,
right now.
you're clot.
Which stepmother?
I guess I would have to put you at the step and
Oh,
talk on you.
you're a big stepmother, you're a big
Then
daughter.
I'm
a big stepmother
You
because
can't breathe.
first thing, my pregnant female right now, 3 weeks. I just I'm not telling me yet.
Where say? Where say I breathe?
You deaf?
Daddy can't breathe, not a soul. Daddy thinking done. So, as somebody else already there then.
Your father.
Daddy can't breathe nobody. That is a big lie. Hey sis, deal with him. Deal with him, sis.
Deal with who?
Talk to him. How much?
I'm 19.
Yeah, who? And you want to be who for stepmother?
No one.
Be with stepmother? I mean, soon to be 19.
That not nothing to do with me.
And I'm 28. Hey, girl. Hey,
You don't stay young for me.
I feel for
You
being.
just back.
Listen to me.
Yo,
Step is what
yo.
I walk. Wait,
I said just back.
Come here, sharp gun, pana. Which gun? Gun where doctor not show up yet? I must see gun where they go.
Hey, come black girl, you know about me.
Don't stop, sister, black girl.
I'm saying too
I
scared.
call black girl.
Wait, you say drape me? Let me tell you one thing.
You better left my father alone. That me I tell you, cause only gonna have a gun on your hand with a drip. Here, girl. So next to the father, do not talk to him.
Let her go.
Let me drip her first. Let her go.
I'm gonna drape you to the tone. I'm gonna drape in, so one not try to know.
You look like you have gun on your for you. Let me go.
Let me go. Go along, go on a business, right and whatever. I don't want you to see me, but the right, I'm to the left.
You're smelling. Go.
Hey, I'm licking the face. So what's the name? Hey, I'll learn something there. Girl, I want to come drape me up on the road.
So,
And then we can't take the money out for the money, you know. What happened, handsome?
huh?
What happened?
Where you call me?
Handsome.
Handsome.
You're cute and nice, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what, before me come out and go up bar, me look in the mirror. So everything just beg me, you know?
Oh, you know, so.
Cause when you say handsome, me not understand what you mean. Cause me favor the baboon. So you better just call me where you want. I beg you, I beg?
Oh, you know, say I beg me, I beg, so.
Where you I beg?
Beg her money.
You catch me for the wrong timing. Cause me just go take one cat over this, you know? And me give all the money what me got. And my sister the teeth 8 grand. Me not no money. Tomorrow me gonna have money. Say if you want money, you check me up on one bar. Shoppy. You lady we want to shop in them Bridget. There's something drinking away. Every day we have buckle.
So what time tomorrow me can check you?
Anytime after 6:30.
Make sure me come tomorrow and tell me say you not no money and the girl let take it from you, you know.
No, listen me now. I will reserve money for you. What you like? You like backy? Or you like fronty? Or you like head top? Or flat top? Or you like float?
What you say?
You like float, head top, backy? Or fronty? You don't understand?
No, me not understand. Break it down in a syllables.
Okay, I'm breaking down the authority. Backy is when you bend, right? Fronty is when you lay down on your back. Floaty is when I lift you up in the air. Yeah, and you are float with me. That's the style. It's ready.
So we are trying to tell me say me have to deal with that before me get the money.
Nowadays, everybody call me careless father, right? And everybody call me workless when they come on to rum. And everybody say, girl, use me. So I have to prove them wrong. Say I'm getting back benefit. It's like when you go to NHT and you pay NHT and you're ready to buy a land, then look on you and get 3.5 instead of them give you a whole heap of money if you buy a decent land. All the taxes you're paying, they not give you much money.
Alright, may I go make a deal now?
Yeah.
So tomorrow me come for your money. And you see the other day after tomorrow, me go link in your yard. Oh, that son.
Now check me tomorrow.
For your money.
Right.
And the other day.
You give me this something.
Yes.
How me know if it's something valid?
What do you mean by you know if valid?
Yes, tomorrow when they check me, I have to measure it. And I have to look on it, I have to see if it's sick. Because I don't want no sick goods. When me a buy bread at supermarket, me feel it. And me look on the date. It have to soft and cushy. So comes your something of it soft or mild. You understand? Yes.
Yeah. Tomorrow when you give me money in my hand, I make you get a peep.
How much money?
Much money? I want 1 million.
Just pay that is. What is it?
Me say, me want 1 million. You hear now?
Go back, look at me. We're gone.
Easy now.
You know,
I could,
you know what?
give me half my money then, and then you give me other half the other day when me come link you your yard.
Me not, if I give my people them 500,000, I'm going to pay and give 500,000. And on my blood then they want me show her off.
A coochie I go look pan, you know. A coochie I go in there, you know.
Yeah, Marga, so might as well me I look on the Marga string. So I check it. Check me tomorrow. Check me tomorrow. Me I go on my yard.
Alright, me I go come and check your pie bar tomorrow. Make sure you have
my right now my fluffy, you know, a company way, you know, I send her the location. So me I reach up. So if you can find me, no, she find me on the road. Cause she watch my location.
Go on, and nobody make sure you more to like
I know where them boy shots again, yeah?
Alright, me I wear something sexy.
You're young girl, if you look good. Listen when the way boy shot to turn off, man. Cause right now, me not know nature when me look on you. You have to put on something sexy.
Alright, tomorrow me put
Check
on
it
something
tomorrow,
sexy.
yeah? Put on something sexy.
Well, sexy.
Yeah.
I would have handsome man, yeah. Him me should have not there with you know. It's very nice and clean. Hey, handsome.
Talking to me or you talking to the room?
I'm talking to you.
And who?
Handsome.
What's up?
There. See, I like you.
See you there. What do you like? You like me, the rum, or the gum?
Me not talk about the rum or wine in your hand. Me talk about you.
Where like what me? Man, see you like you can get.
Everything.
So where you come from?
Me come from down the road.
Like them bead, they but
No.
only the bead bus.
But hold on. You prime, you grow wings. You start to fly.
I'm a brother.
My ask you something else shut up your mouth.
Me and you no number that.
You start to flew. No, sir, boy. Come see us, so. Hey, girl, who you?
You tell us I'm a brother.
So, me don't know your sister here. Ox. Alright, time, but all the babies here go on your talk.
Me don't know she has no sister. Yeah?
Are your brother and your hey, girl?
Yes.
Who from my head for show? When you get to some man?
Babes, do that again. Let him go and do that again, babes.
Never know say your man.
Do it.
Where is that over there, girl, yeah?
I don't know her.
Some man good enough for you.
Me the
Man, no man. You want me get aggravated. What you go on, hey, girl, where you the man?
Talk me that talk to him about something. Me the one where road for good and come in new year so.
Say another one.
No.
Come out of the way. Walk. Hey, girl, me say, you know
So me did that go.
what? Hey, girl. They don't tell about me. They don't tell about Batty. That's all it's a pink hair. Hey, girl, walk, sir. Come and show you. Where the top is so with Jaffa? Eh?
Man, that's me rum.
So hold on.
Man, that's
The
me rum.
dirty thinking nasty now be a top link. So
Come here.
no, let go for me, let go for me, let go for me. So wait. So after you let me go and sip on the road. Babes, where they go?
You just you can't make excitement to excitement to go in the base, man.
Where me excitement?
That's me all the nice vibes and me go up and she tap me ask me why time.
What time? So all on some clock and come and you turn GPS because she said she ask you for where and you said she ask you for time. What are you?
Woo! Babe, try this.
Take that to my face.
Babes, they say them ban JB.
I'm so look dusty boy, yeah.
They say
You know you're careless. Oh, you have me as a woman and you up and down with other girl. Me not understand.
see my girl.
So me what? What am I to you?
My girl I was.
Because tell me, why me don't want to come up the road and come down to you to make sure that you get something and yourself and so with other girl. Hey boy, I don't know you up, you know.
No. She tap me ask me time.
Abani me?
Man.
I really bunny me?
And the girl, cause she wants some of me rum in her car.
She mad.
She's sick.
But to come like say you mother.
Yep.
You not tell us you have a crazy girlfriend.
Crazy.
Who said you are not got enough cards, so?
She had off cut, not me.
You are not got enough cards. Stop playing. You know you're not going to put me in a boy.
Well, I'm not here.
No, you are. But I go up and the way my people that hear me and the things so me's a scared girl.
No, it's a skettle.
I know you at this stage, young lady. Listen to me now, sir.
My skettle.
Listen to me now, sir. Don't answer my head, you know. Cause you know I love you, you ramp with me.
But me love you too, yeah, me rum. Where you tell, boy?
Come go up in the yard.
Which one is yard? This is yard, them one go.
Up in the yard. Yes, hey, boy. Stop ramp with me, you know.
If you do that.
Hey, I want to get me my talk bad man, I'm a brother. You forgot. You want to lick till a week. A bad man, I'm a brother. You forgot. You don't remember. Hey, boy, I'm like you want to analyze, so.
What's that?
Hey, boy, stop around, put me in, you know.
Are you brother?
Yeah, I'm going to call him. All right, know what you say.
No. We deal with bad rum, not bad people.
Hey, boy, stop around, put me in, you know. You know my love here, you put my ass.
Love see that tight, say the baby, yo.
I don't know where me I come from.
Hold on. Me spin the place. Cock up your body a little bit, please. Yeah.
Don't touch me. I look like I have gold. I look silver.
Gold if you put me in your old babes.
Come on, my slippers. You know you irritate my soul.
I got money.
Come go up.
Got cash.
Come go up.
Let's go. Yeah.
Man, me go panorama to check out the money.
Daddy asleep.
3, 4,
3 that?
30.
Daddy did asleep.
Ay!
You want one?
We know I got it now, you know, man.
Yes.
We know I got it to find a man.
Yes. What rich one?
You know what it's sin for took son of father?
What?
It's sin for took son of father with money.
How much money you have?
How?
Huh?
How much money you spend on rum?
A lot.
Bring back the rum and get the money.
Bring back. I'm going to bring back some what I consume.
I don't know how you're going to bring it back. Bring it back and get back your money.
By the way, I want to reach you. How you look for?
You always man find my daughter. I saw me like on, really find on father advice good, like find a rich man, taking money, can't come support the family. Right now, the house, come tell you I'm big man to me a big concrete house and AC in it. So,
Where AC there?
huh?
That me I say, if I'm not even a walk
Where
good.
AC?
Where AC?
Uh-huh.
The window of them.
Where concrete?
Sister. Yeah.
Wait. You're happy some man give you money, not true?
Yes! At least we know it's not worth something. Enough girl out there, no worth nothing. So me like wanna do. You have to invest. You see, no property, we not to give it for free. We not to make money off of it. You see, instead of try to give it
You're well on if you have man, not true?
what wrong with alright, so you gotta give to the young boy them. All along and not get nothing back. You give to the bigger man them, man.
I don't man give me money.
Oh.
Auntie give me money.
I don't mean yet, Grandma.
I eat. And you're not getting it.
I joke, yeah, me.
No, it's a prank.
So, all along, my yet grandma have a flower.
How? You want me flash in your face? You want money shower?
Give me money.
Put on your hand.
Hello. Me know how to
Right now, me hungry for you to go down to and buy something for me. I'm not sure.
Yeah, so that eat some Popeyes.
Or burger or something.
Something.
I never fist one on it yet.
A long time you not creep me
Put like your hand on your rum.
Me think a man will lay down and get the money.
Lay down with which man?
So tell you want sell we.
And that we are say.
I don't sell.
So what if you go take man and come in you?
Nothing wrong with that. Well, one time you used to work hard and sweat and change 5 shirts a day per site. Tell you look what school.
You work your honest bread for your money. So we go sell your body for mind you that.
I work here with kind sweat. Then to buy the sweat of your bro, you shall eat bread. So if you lay down by your back and the man a work, you and the man a sweat. You understand?
That you want.
What
That you want to hear.
you think me take on the floor and work
Shocking news, you're not going to hear that though.
to make back my investment what I spend for now. Now no reach adult age or time for no us and bring in the money now. You understand?
Bring in the account with who?
Comprende?
Give who? Bring in the money and give to who?
Huh?
Bring in the money and give to who?
Me?
Are you the bank? You on the account?
Daddy, tell me something. You don't even know which party I get your money, but you can't buy one shot. You can't make your money give one shot, Daddy. How on pants?
The time me go waste buy new clothes. Me just drink and enjoy myself. Me just buy rum with my
No,
money.
if you look nice, if you make a girl and say
That you
yes.
have the slippers from me at 6 up until now and can't change it.
I want you with you know. You're full of mouth. But any day you're sick, hope you're full of mouth.
Me nah see.
Cause this a one father. Now
Me there.
I am not going to
guess
see.
what? Flash news.
What?
See something come here. When under government, you know.
Which government?
Chatty, I come down, and I chill, come here, sit down, manners. Behave yourself. Sit down right here, have manners. She's coming, she's coming. Sit down, quick. Sit down, come.
You must say pretty up on your side, Daddy, you know.
Yeah, back me up. This is not the real house.
Hello, me back to some man, me can't back you up.
No. When she come and ask you for the concrete houses, they say they're up, so. You know, finish it.
I just saw me live.
Back me up, see ya.
Me nah
Hold on, we go read, man, hold on, wait, man. I want to see the woman too.
Hey, baby! You're fine me. Yes, I like the GP. The GP can make you find me. Holding things, yeah.
So I can't feed houses?
No, man, I have the mansion. The mansion with the jacuzzi. See, it will all automatically come around. Yeah, the mansion with the jacuzzi.
So who then fit here?
I'm mine too big. I'm sorry about
hungry
telling you
now.
that I don't have a child.
I'm hungry too.
They are my bunch of joy. You understand?
Am I twin?
No, one back of the other. Yes. But my mansion now with the jacuzzi.
But wait.
Wait. I'm not know about the mansion there, wait there. That's over there, so.
Hello, excuse you. We are talking.
We're talking to my father.
Learn to have manners.
Me not no manners.
You pick them down no manners, you know?
Huh?
They don't have any manners. So I see it in their face, they don't have no
They're
manners.
not brush them teeth, man. You have to feed them.
They can't see it found they look like they have no manners.
Right.
We're not man, we are human. We have humaners.
Right.
No manners.
Big notes. Relax yourself.
No cheat, Daddy. Be yourself, no man.
You need to
Hello. Good news. See? It's your new mommy.
You who?
Your new mommy.
Either like it or
Or
not.
not.
Step mother me clot.
Look here.
Oh,
Look here. Come here, phone. Let me
No.
tell you Puano this. Whether I don't like it or not, me I no step mama. I think I need to put you at this. So let me tell you this. Hello. Hello. Let me shake up here if your father now shake no up. You hear me say either I don't like it or not. Me and the father wife. Me and the stepmother. I don't need to have manners. I'm all on the ears. I don't need to have manners. Go to my house. Inside.
No, before I go inside. Listen now. She's the lady of the house.
so you turn up.
Exactly.
You turn up, yes, I there from. I want you Humpty Dumpty drip me. No, me have. And my sister. Wait,
She's from tell your brother.
we had dream.
No, let me do it to you.
Yeah, me can try to.
No, sir. Come on, sis, come on, cause this a Humpty Dumpty.
You big
You're
like
not rest
chalk.
na this a house, yeah.
Your mother like a shit.
Jesus Christ.